as I can hear where Rosalie come out and say, problem is there. It's just that they don't want it come out because in a government, so they can deal with this job. But me can't tell you. Coming next year when they're in opposition, because they're going back in opposition, which is the perfect place. Opposition more fit them. You ever see the trouble?
The problem is a conference.
Is this a good time for the PNP to take the country?
Why?
Well,
That's what Dino.
They're taking a big headache, you know.
Dino.
Yeah, well, because the budget, the 25-26 budget now gonna be a normal time, you know. The budget cycle, you know, man.
Economy slipped. This economy slipped this month by 2.
-0.
Yeah, but though.
Last quarter we were at 0.01%.
Yeah, all right.
And the economy slipped by 2.5%. You take 2.5% a percent of what? If we have a small, a very narrative growth, and you slip 2.5%, you're going into a negative growth. So run this country without boasting no new tax. It forces the PNP to come to power as no alternative is either loans or tax. That's what's going to happen, you know.
Then what is it to happen?
We added every ministry and tell them what we'll find. That's what we have to do.
You only have one auditor general, which is always understaffed. You can't audit all the ministries one time. You take a period of time, the auditor.
Yeah, that's true. That's right. Do the most essential ones. Bring external auditors.
The most important thing is the Ministry of Finance. They work along with the PIOJ and the Bank of Jamaica. They will have all the figures ready. So you go right now, so we don't have no money. The country is in a bankruptcy.
Please respond.
Right now, the country is in a recession. All the big promises Andrew is making, these are empty promises because the country is heading into a recession.
Just go to ask you a while ago, so if the country. You must borrow 11 billion. You must sell forward profit from now on the fund sparks and the 20,000 give back. And you say more the people when they work on that $20,000 January. Where you get it from?
That has to go to the next budget, you know. That's until it's next year, you know. You can't do it this year because the money is to pay.
The one when give back at the end of the 20,000, because the government over 12 billion, you know.
Yeah, but they have forward sale the profits are NHT, Norman Manley Airport.
Yes.
That's all right. That 12 billion argument that apply. Because I hear 10 people come and say, yeah, them get that money there.
Yeah, man.
It's run, man. Can me get it?
You get it?
Yeah, man. Me get it through everything.
12 billion.
Yeah, man. It's a run, man. Me I tell you, say it's a run.
Some run this, some
no,
run
man,
this.
it's a run, man. Come here when I press
again. Some run this week,
Yeah, man.
I just
298,000 people get it.
Some run before Niger Clark leave and some run this week, yeah.
I'm 120,000.
yeah, can I get that one 2 weeks ago?
Can't defend myself. She'll have.
Them not say I best finance minister, sir. Then say that it costs.
No, sir.
Yeah, but how they get the money? How they get the money come back?
Where the money came from to do already?
Where the money come from?
Some of them borrow money, you know.
Then the money they borrow from 12 to 12 years.
Yeah, some of them borrow money because what you know?
Give away. You're Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Borrow money.
Yeah, then that. Because remember, you know, the last budget, you know, the 23-24 budget, they shot then collect of
45. It is shot
900 billion.
No, $45 billion.
Yeah, they shot right because they want $1.1 trillion to spend. That's all.
Right.
The last quarter.
So if you didn't have a hole in your budget, how comes now you find an extra 12 billion to give away? Like seriously, people are not idiot. And then your boss and you not borrow no money.
Until then, Minister of Finance, that was a secret. They actually identify it already, but it's a secret. They can't tell the nation where I get it from.
Boy, may I tell you.
They said then tell the nation it will jeopardize it wait up.
Yeah.
Jaja.
What part? It was
Well,
Me never know.
I'm gonna ask a
Never know
question. I'm
government
gonna ask a question. I'm gonna ask a question if it's the right time. Yes, it's the right time indeed, because remember when they left the mess in 2011, I would have to clean up that mess.
so we'll
So
clean up the one
this is not
again.
the first time I do it.
We'll clean up the one again. And then they go
Yes.
to
But listen, man, it's funny enough. I hear her interview with Favor Williams, which she speak the truth. She said the cleaning up started from the PNP, and then clean up the economy.
No, she always said that. That's me get credit for sure. Yeah, she said for sure.
She said they,
Yeah.
they cleaned up and on that track, and she continued when she was in the ministry the first time. As
All it work for turn parking meter attendant out the airport. If you sell ticket, tell me something.
ticket, that's
No
an airport. What
No security do that.
a security guard.
A security guard do that all over the world.
no, what? Under the JLP is a new position we have.
The airport, them equip, they don't use a machine, do all that something, you know.
Yeah, so you have to have a degree for the machine.
Security guard on the security guard on the city, you know, so it's the machine malfunction.
Is that Howard is a new profession in JLP. You can't cut the people them. It's a new profession, you need a degree to park here.
Me never when me see it, me allow me can't believe.
The life is a while ago. Me no know.
No, Howard, me not
The life-
That question I want to ask is funny. Belmont Road becomes a university now?
That is it. And you see what
Because
them
all
do,
of a
Dino?
sudden, they made them report to bus stars and got the hard honorable doctor. They
Dino?
refer to Andrew Owens as the right honorable doctor.
Yeah, but
They give
yeah,
doctor to the Belmont Road, no?
he is no doctor. Lambert Brown consulting at the Senate already and says, stop it. He's not a doctor. He was not accredited at the university. He has a doctor. He has a
Tuesday to until they must stop telling the people to
no, he's not a doctor.
You never
He's not
credit
a doctor.
the institution
No.
for it.
No, it is not accredited, and they must stop it. And you see what them do? Them send out the whole of the people them from the upstairs and tell them to go outside, and all when them go outside, no cut it.
But Howard, listen me, remember say yeah, you are telling me say I bet say uno don't make nobody no stung in that place when Andrew was attack. A human end, you know what they do? Then make Andrew Owens come 2 minutes before he talk and promise them say them how he eat things out of those. So people have a slung and listen to him. And you cause it. I mean, yeah, I bet the people them boy, I bet you not stay there. And yo, you have to
No
believe
man, that's different now. And I'll be able to say, if a badness run the conference, people get licked to come out of their house. People get licked for them come out of them house and hold up a bus park up outside and on the veil. People not got in there. Cause some of the people them not show up, Mike and the shop for them people don't show up.
yeah.
Here empty bus left and St. Thomas.
But to be honest,
For the conference.
Darryl Vaz spent over 100 million buy both gas, fertilizer, black tank, and the PNP they name him out. When them have the gunman on a church car and bad up the people and just take the bush and take the river and come up vote for Russia and coming back. So that's why them have it. So them confident and them dead and string up the party them all about. Clean sweep party.
Yeah.
It was 4 party was slated to keep. And you hear the closest somebody will come to confession.
Only one kill and alone keep, you know. Only one kill and alone keep, you know.
And that Rana Chilani, a money she run when she see Mosey run on her. When she see the PNP, them a come out come vote for Mosey and the guys of independent. Million she run. And nobody from Larry Mars go out and vote.
Oh, if we spend
None no vote for her. She don't get 1 vote at Larry Mars.
If we spend millions, only get that amount of money. We need to run back in general.
That is it. That is it. So that's why Bobby Montague said they are assessing, they learned a lot of lesson. For them spend money now. But you want now, the script we'll have to rewrite because the overall script being on comrades, was to give the feelings from remember the Prime Minister said when he touch the road a different thing. And then I said,
Come on, you know, so somebody said this thing about me tell you about the headline. He said, when the 4 election, did I hear him that started? Labor rights, the Jamaican people rejected PNP. They rejected the 18. He said, remember when you see? You wanna put it on the page.
Listen, me to you. We are big man. Me and the boy in the group. All are we now. The youngest somebody supposed to be in a so. And let me tell you something. We know about our party. You see, if they did come and get that boosted and tell him say the people reject PNPism, I will tell you say when the leader touch a road, a different thing, and it took energize the base and say we are back. Look what I spent for that conference. Every candidate.
But you know what the problem with that is?
The candidate get $1 million. Caretaker get 500,000. MP get 1 million. Just to pay people for come a conference. And all them are paid.
But if we did do the 2 by election, actually we have to do it in our local plan.
No, but listen, that's the thing, man. Well, I know. You have to give thanks to people like me and you and others who come on the internet. Because clearly, until this day, the media now back it. But look at what happening with the mass shooting. And the media them hold it down. All the scene at the Glean and the Observer the same night is 5 people shot. And if it wasn't for social media tell us that the people are dead, you only hear
that. That's true. It is for ABC, it come for ABC.
And it next international circuit now.
Like and PNP conference. If you need a PNP conference, let me ask you something.
Why you believe the police commissioner tell us 44 people dead last week, even though 70? Because the international average for the government of Jamaica is downplaying the numbers.
Of course.
So them show about that to appease international press. That's why ABC and others start to keep tab in terms of the mass shooting. And them tell us straight up about 6 or 7 mass shootings in the year. So it can no longer hold on. But come back to your point.
About the legislation.
In the internet war room, them advisor tell them, say the radio station and the newspaper is not your problem. Your problem is the internet. And that's the PNP.
So you're talking at the shooting we're gonna
Walton Park Road.
Walton, you know, say when me see me come live nearby now. When me hear about when me see pan I say at my newspaper say yo 5 years shot, but never mention say them get them dead. So
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So that's what I'm turning to you and tell you say the mainstream media are very hypocritical. Even yesterday when the Prime Minister visited, he might talk about multiple victims. No, you don't classify that. It's a mass shooting.
You have to understand that they are the PRP government. They are no media house in Jamaica.
Right. So are we on the internet here, so I hold the line and I continue with the banner. Look what they do in the Marant and the Inner Town Division. Millions them spent. And they could never overtake the PNP. The people run up the numbers. The people run up the numbers. I'll find the labor right them. We turn off from them and give them millions. We get 40,000, 50,000 pounds chicken, fertilizer, buy.
Say that those 2 divisions are traditional extremely.
Listen, I say to you, the 2 richest men in the party stake out Amaranth Bay, James Roberts and Darryl Vaz. 2 weeks straight, then I move. And you hear him come back out and say, we have it locked. But guess what? The PNP beat them to them own game. Because when them come with the whole heap of bad man and all sort of thing, we bring outside people to observe. When Bobby man take you going at the bush in the helicopter to give out millions to buck up on Raymond Price.
Yeah.
When them come, I have the whole heap of, when them come, I have the whole heap of gunman them from Spanish Town and all about in a marathon. When them come and buck up on the whole heap of gunman them and spread them out with intimidation. So
You
So,
until you're ready to talk again. Yeah,
yeah, mute until you're ready for talk one at a time. So in the PD them now, them look, we say the ordinary sentiment people are run off the PD. But when them go in at the PD, them say one native and them say pay strange people what them don't know as worker. Fuck them up. So that's them problem. But when they look and see the junglist, them are run off the PD along with one or two native. So that's why we get the result what we get, and the same thing apply, don't apply now. So there's a lesson to be learned right now. If we carry what we replicate in a Marant Bay, in a Portland, then we can easily win Portland. Because what we discover is the JLP them come and intimidate the local workers and overrun the cities. So that couldn't go on a Marant Bay, because when them come and then look and them see the worker them indoor out the agent are people what them don't know. Them say the junglist them are not afraid of nobody. And then now, you know, once them say the junglist them know, the local PD they get straight. Now I said, me don't know you, black book. You hear me say to you? And that is how we won the division. We have to be strategized. So when Juliet and Andrew and the whole of them are coming at the polling division, back at them, camera back out. But you know, they're not going to do it openly.
No.
And I saw we won the division. And if you ever see James Robinson and Darryl Vars face, not to mention the Prime Minister. So what we are saying is, continue to do the work. We can't leave the internet space to them, because that is our only forum to get out our message. Because clearly, even at the shooting at Walton Park Road, and you click onto the Gleaner, 5 people shot. You click onto the Observer, 5 people shot. You don't hear. As a matter of fact, when last on the list RGR or TVG hear about a shooting or killing, the only way you hear about it is unless a mass shooting and it can't cover. But if right. 1 and 2 isolated, you don't hear nothing about it.
Yeah, this part, you need to get 25.
So all the scene there right now, and it will get worse. So, we never know, sir, not just head tax sell out New Richards, the airport parking ticket sell out too. So it's the same PAC and them own it. So if you look at the resume in terms of the application for the parking attendant, it's the same airport operators. So wow. Just only sell out head tax, him also sell out the parking revenue.
Prime Minister speech. I want to have a PNP platform. We can remember the plan from the national of a background of the night. What background of the night?
Yeah, didn't have the guys that under some touring, whatever.
You're background at what? Oh, yeah, man. So everything when I hear about our PNP, that's why we didn't come on PNP platform. What Mark Golden propose? What Mark? Cause they not nothing for themselves. You get me? So them
months now, them a try that to get idea from we. See, if we did a chat off we mouth, Andrew Wellness would have some things now. We got chat a conference from we. So a lucky thing, Mark Golden and nobody in a chat. Evidence is there. They have nothing. The whole of PNP plans and everything where them not live off of. That all done all gone now. They can't find nothing for them oneself. And I hit a mad them. Evidence is there and Wellness have nothing to offer people them. No plans, nothing at all. No idea for oneself. Because Porsche and PJ idea and plans them where them not live off of don't know. And they can't find nothing for them oneself, and it's a shame. It's a shame. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a shame, man.
But this show, them a call upon show every day before I have the carpenter action and put on. It bubble up and just jump off.
But so I rode a ball car is from Portland. Portland ball car is Dino? Ball car. Yeah, man. This one, it bust in a 2 man.
That completely, man.
Yo, me I tell you, I don't know how them are go survive. I don't want their Alba look about him this and him. You know, the best speech at the conference Bobby Montague though. Because it was subtle, measured, and penetrative, and him a try connect back with the people and try sell back Andrew Holness as a human being.
I try to send back himself and knows about water to Mason and all these places. I feel constituency them, they no water in the few years. You promise the people last time in the first 100 days in office, water reach there, no water not reach there. And the water project, we both, but this is not a government project. And the same Chinese who buy out Better Pack, they own supermarkets at Orchard, Port Maria, all bought now. They have only bus stores. They are not the least what I'm big how much acres of a Mason and they running water for God the farm because they need water for the farm.
Okay.
So all my boss are a project. A private man project.
Okay. Oh, so he might go and do a little thing.
So,
Yeah,
as
but
we
I'm
talk
not
about that,
carry the water. And the Chinese people carry the water because they need water.
all right.
They're going to farm.
So, when in terms of what we plan, as what you, Richard, said, look at it. Them are going to set up endowment fund for their workers, like what Mark Gold do.
Exactly.
So, them copy everything.
Everything what we
Everything.
yeah. Because even the hey, listen, remember say the school system at Demon Craft, what's up with Demon Craft that Mark will talk about, you know?
Yes. Yes.
Everything.
The entertainment venue, the 24-hour entertainment venue, then copy.
Everything
Then,
that in
let
the
me tell you
general.
something, man. If you notice the tone of the conference, you Richard, it boils down to start to beg. Speaker after speaker after speaker, all them talk about is beg. And you notice the Prime Minister's speech of rewrite, all him could not talk about a JPS and Water Commission, and him not even think about it. And immediately, the PNP attacked it and said, this won't help the poor. Because 70% of JPS customer fall below 200 kilowatt hours. So therefore, they don't pay any GCT. And the other 30% goes to those who can afford it.
But come on, listen to come on. 2015, those people didn't pay GCT.
All right.
300 and that 300 kilowatt paying GCT, but now they pay 7% GCT.
But yo, the GCT and light bill is the least of the apostles.
Of course. The energy cost I dear thing by light bill.
Energy cost, your kilowatt per hour you burn is very minimal too.
That is it.
The energy cost is pushing up your light bill very high.
My light bill come, my light bill at $800. Like $800, I may not pay $12,500.
Alright, my light bill, the light bill was $600. I'm gonna pay $16,000 yesterday.
Alright. Okay then.
And the next thing again, Comrade Richards, why him a push, which is a failure why most people not taking it. The prepaid light bill is more expensive than the postpaid.
No, but him say I'm a comedy, but
well, I know,
him
man.
say I'm a comedy.
No,
Okay,
PNP
sorry.
bringing prepaid data from PNP time you. And why you don't have the take up? Say your bill come to 12,000. For the whole week on the prepaid, I just put on $3,000 so it lasts you a day or two. So before the week done, you end up at top up all $3,000. So when you take start now, my light bill used to come to 15 and 12,000. I said, no, sir, let me go up on the prepaid. For 1 week, we put on 18,000.
Oh, the light bill, what you talk about, the prepaid was not rolled out. JPS rolled it out to roll 14 parishes long time. And you have to apply for it.
What you must talk about is the take up.
The other person who live in our house, he was not the time that you come, we send the light bill to you. And me go one morning after making an application to check that JPS I was there, and then took out the meter and put in the prepaid one. You get, they give you, was it 5? They give you, was it 5,000 upon it, and you just go in.
And no work out. It's expensive. So that's why. And for your information, what you not understand is the people who are hurting the most now cry over light bill. For me and you know, say the most vulnerable now living under darkness, you know, and then do it with water. They might take that. And now water them problem, and another light them problem.
No, Sure,
One of them
sure.
problem is the cost of food.
Food.
You want me to say to you the way you like it, yes or no? Get up people who are earning 15,000. Yeah, you want me to say again? And a light bill of them problem, you Richards can tell you, and on a water them
Man,
problem.
they live off a chop, you know, man.
Them live off a chop and them not stop chop.
No matter
So
what.
when the Prime Minister talk, you know, in him a
take it down
repertoire.
and put it back up.
What? Listen, it's a prepaid beer.
That we just talk a while ago, more expensive.
You can afford $3,000. By week, don't you have to top up?
If it last year, we
Exactly. And look,
So that's why people reject it.
we remember saying most of those people would have top up. I feel like that 5,000-6,000 up here. So you know, make no sense. And the only
And as I said before, when I said Sunday,
we're not
it
Sunday, but
that
the opposition conferences, there are 2 opposition conferences. 15 and 1.
everything about the leader. And
Yeah,
the more them
because
talk, and the more we go.
opposition to the propose. When they been coming, government not by achievements and record. You want to say anything like that Sunday?
And not only that neither. And next thing again, what we talk about you Richards, where the government know exactly, say they take up, are going to be few. They know, but they have the numbers. They can tell you all of them people who pay over the statutory declaration, you know, that those people are non-compliant, including some government agency. And you see it? It a lot money a come, and what happen? Only 50% take up. You mean they don't know? They know. But they never know, say, it's going to be a failure because more people are disenfranchised than those who sign up. Out of the 500,000 people, only half of it take up. Because people, employer, now pay up on time, and some are not paying none at all. So when you take a sack, the 500,000 people them cater to, only half of the money use up. So the next half, they know I'll go in, I want a Port Barrett project. For, oh, me see, there's no plan. The same run with it, what Cliff use and the one of the label the PNP, and that the government are doing right now. And you notice what he's doing now? Promises. So by the time the next financial year will come in and the PNP will win, there's a wide gap in the budget because all of those who are run with it
that was definitely election. That was definitely election speech, really.
And it never work out. But I don't see none of it. For present as a speed.
Yeah, but
This is the right of you, Richards.
Rubbish that already, you know. But rubbish that already, you know.
Yes. But it's fresh again now. So it's fresh again now. So we have a duty now to rubbish it again because we have a thing where we suffer from short memory. You see the right of from NWC, it goes towards the rich. Again, poor people are going to take the water. So water is not poor people problem.
Yeah.
You know, Mr. Tio? JPS is not poor people problem because they now work no money for paying a light bill. You notice how JPS give up the fight? Down a Remati Valley, Maxfield, paying land? You see the millions of dollars with a system when them set up? Everybody have light, not true? You hear an uproar when it just started, but soon as them study how to beat it, don't everything quiet? JPS never bother spend $1 more to come with nothing new. But no matter what them come with, people are going to steal the light.
And we are people.
The people who are working are people like me and you who are pay with $10,000 light bill and I pay 2,000 and we are pay for them. And that I get a people problem. When them get the 15,000 as a bar operator in the wholesale, it can't manage and he's not able to address that the high cost of food. You see if the man did come and say man set up some food bank or some coupon for participating retailers where you can get your food prices even 40% discount, that would have been more meaningful. But the JPS thing and the Water Commission thing now cut it because the truth is, you know, NWC, the only way why they may collect it in the foreseeable future is because it's tied to the property, unlike JPS. So those money that NWC is to them owe, they will never get it. And the amnesty is not new. JPS, NWC always have amnesty. But guess what? When NWC say you owe a light bill of 500,000, I when they give you 50% discount, can you afford to find that at 250,000? No.
But on the rich people, on the rich people alone with them like the poor people don't want to more 3, 4, 5 thousand like they don't go to get water, they go to have. You go to a poor man right now, 10,000 and water, you go to have, not none of 500,000.
So
Rich
again,
people like
the
that.
prime minister is not. The prime minister is not getting the reality that what people face. Those who are suffering and bawling don't have a light and then don't have a water problem. That are the least of them problem. Bob Marley said, if you want light, you must know how to get light. And if you want water, you must know how to get water. But Bob Marley said, in a stay in the dark. And if you want team a drink tea, you put it into perspective and know what I say. Simple put, poor people now staying in the darkness and them have them light and then not pay no light in. And that's the problem. The problem is food. Sending children to school, pay bus fare. That is the issue. I'm going to run out now, but I'm going to keep on and listen. But you know, say me then at the bathroom and I hide and I talk to you. Bless up on yourself, my brother. But we have to keep the fire burning. We have to keep reminding the people. Because this is the only forum, the only platform that we can get out our message. Because RJR, Gleaner, TVJ, CVM, the whole of them, the government buy them out with commercial. The word is law.
Yeah, go and buy them. Yeah, advertisement, that's all. Alright, hey, hey, while we're at it, we need to know why we're here about Cliffview station shoot up in the last, I got 2 years now. Yeah. A long time I asked him about it, we need to ask him about it today now. I got targeted today asking about it.
Why is it just after every JLP conference you have a massive shooter?
Exactly.
If it doesn't take place in the conference, it takes place outside the conference.
After, yeah. Man, me the power program say at the PNP start a do crime because don't go that many can election about crime.
PNP has never win election.
Yeah.
What a go on, everybody just at the port some. One flow from money I don't hear you.
There, man, listen, it teaches them, you know? In a classroom.
It was PNP. The PNP shoot up downtown Sunday.
That's a labor I do that one.
Them coming in
JLP,
gunshot.
If I that PNP I wait for Andrew I do enough crime. We don't have to fire and shot a crime nobody. Andrew I do enough crime.
Exactly. Amount of crime Andrew done already is enough to the country. Just some cheap political points them a try score, man, with all kind of rubbish.
Wrong ideas.
Andrew need to go talk about brother right now all the road there. Them the Monday when me hear them a talk and a boast pan but them a go fix road now. Remember me tell you one road I done that Monday, you know. One piece of road alone I done that Monday and when me said done in Natty Black go fix good neither. Polite. Alright, now me see them say them a fix road from already and the road that they fix last week mash up already. Rain just drew and them mash up.
And that mean a 2 road now me see where Brockway and them 2 road them look on the biggest car. The rest them road they didn't have no solid ground. So for you have to go build them road from base come up. I've got pack stone before you build what them road. All of them road they will see wash right. Even if you're not pack the ground, you have to build a retaining wall or one of them big stone wall to hold it up.
Enough of them they have to do. A couple well of them road there. They have to do, brother. Enough of them.
I think 2 or 3 must stay already.
Yeah, man.
Broke your car and can't drive on.
Brother, road condition at Jamaica no normal. I can tell you that right across the country, in every street, lane, everywhere. Road and terrible, brother. From the Monday when me hear my boss pan and talk about road, I'll fix all the next, if you left and Joel next, we do this, brother, all the next 10 years, this, yeah, half of them are road and no look on it.
22 million PNP can't
Man
control.
spend a bag of money for go win. Then you must try spend a bag of money for an election for go win it. But he might fuck up the economy same way. So if him for spend the money and do get the election, what him do?
Come back to you for money, not for taxi.
They must say mad to blood. Yeah.
Yeah, waste and Joel them a waste money, brother. Cause all them the money they spend all of them a buy election, a buy vote, a go all a conference and all them the thing that. Why they then take and try fix some of the road them and try put it to do some more better use, brother? Here waste this money, waste taxpayer money.
I will see him do for real. I will see him really though. Yeah, fuck
And
the country.
and we expect him to spend even waste much more because it a come up to an election. Them a go waste a whole lot more. Brother, you see anytime you see a holding going up over amount of work where this man have to go do. The amount of bailout where he have to go do. Probably have to go run back at IMF in a trouble again and look money to borrow. When this a boy a join the country and done with it, this big nose, sweet pepper nose, ugly boy, him and him lick a big foot wife. Join out the country. And take a little idiot, jengeleng, back him make a green idiot, then back him run up on a shape bell like them a idiot. Yeah, if he punk them, you see.
LOL, as I said, sometimes it's hard for me to understand the whole thing because you see so much people put on them greed that they can't really know what just a go for the little bread and butter.
Good morning.
But Jeffress, what the thing is it, you know, when I even check your level like now, I hungry people, you know, brother. I do it now, people are hungry and hardly live nowhere, you know. Hardly can find them dinner, you know. Them I do it now, they won't listen to people when people talk, you know. The people who really can afford in a certain way, you know, they're not even look for them, you know. I look a hungry belly one them, you know.
One floor, you said something and it's so true. People not understand. I don't think the labor right them understand the debt where Andrew really plunge the country into.
Yeah.
Andrew know that he's going to lose. And he's making it so bad that when Mark Golding go in. But you see when Mark Golding win, we just have to keep pushing out the work, make them know say your prime minister leave the country this way. Anything the man do for bring it back, they have no choice. Andrew Holness is a wicked, evil man. Wicked, him hungry for power, and he might destroy them. And the Labour right, boy, me wonder if it's a spell over the Jamaica Labour Party why these people are so blind.
Yes, because they got near man jinky when they not in man jinky and to catch them in a cow and Heineken and all these things and drinks. You get me?
You understand the debt. Well, Andrew now announce when him a borrow, you know. So them a think that Andrew now borrow. Where get money from? The money where Andrew Holness give them
up. If you listen to Ralston, I'm telling us that Andrew, the country is broke, you know. No money not there.
Of course. Then one clip use come out and tell you how the era end. Don't talk use where you know say mama morality Andrew boy that. And come out and tell you. Only the labor right them nasty and them are so hungry. Like I'm telling you, it's no joke, it's no shade. The most people will call me and beg me from Jamaica and Andrew them vote for. Not one of my comrade family don't call me and beg me, only my labor right family. Every time they ask me for something, me say to them, say, una see why we not vote for that man here? Una see why we not vote for that man here?
You know why PNP now got hungry? Because we did know from day one. We brace for this and we know what's coming. Once the Labour Party come in, we know what going to take place. So we did done prepare ourselves and have we thing together. So that now go reach that. The Labour right, them know where the thing say. Them not go walk and pick up money and all did that go well and Andrew all them don't make them live like a king and not have to work and all them things they ask to when promise. And them it go affect because they have that mindset there.
This morning, me talk to one of my cousin from St. Thomas up at James Roberts inside, and she said to me, she said, cuz in all my years, me under PNP and the Labour right, I've never feel life this hard. She said, I've never seen the road look this way. She said, then me could have take. So me tell her, I say, girl, me nah force you to support my party, but you see why me stand on my ground all these years and say I cannot support the Jamaica Labour Party. But now is a time for the change. You have 3 people in your yard who can vote. Make sure on the election day, you don't have to tell nobody who you vote for. Go down to the community center, go cast your vote for Mark. Me hold me accountable. Me say vote for Mark, don't give Andrew a chance, him a wicked.
But Andrew already getting 2 chances and feel them bad too.
A wicked man.
This man I promise people from the first term, to the second term, and then come back and look third term with promise again where you're not fulfilled. None of them know the way you promise them from day one. I just still come back and make one bag of promise. Why can't you at this stage now? Your last lap now, last couple months left. What you should have boast for now are your achievement.
And your legacy. Yeah, man, legacy.
You campaign for your achievement now. How can you at this time you come campaign for more promise? Where is the achievement?
Hello.
I'm going people for achievement of your bank pan, you know, that you save your career through election. Make people say, yeah, man, this might work.
Can't blame Andrew for this story, you know.
What?
Andrew has never worked all this time. He becomes a billionaire out of being the prime minister, so third term. But to do well for him. This is the only way now to make money.
But Andrew Holness, he turned billionaire in 8 years.
8 years in a
billionaire.
Someone was never working 8 years to become a billionaire.
Right?
He was busy at keeping people their money.
Well, that's what he knows best.
Sure. Why me I tell us that Jamaica is a dark place? Me said Labour right, that's why I'm not go on Labour right live. I'm not listen to them. Because I'm not see sense so me I listen to stupidness. Me sit down I irritate my spirit. Them they have vexation and spirit. Me I listen to them, the lion people there.
There are people that are just as same way leaders, they are same way followers and stay.
But you know, I mean, I understand it is, they say PNP mash up the country for 18 years, but you become a billionaire. Under the same regime, you know, you become a billionaire. So why would you build on something that is already mashed up? Wouldn't you build it?
Because that's a fact. So you see the whole them where you see on the platform across PNP about 18 years, they are the whole of them rich and have them money in a them the time there. Them turn millionaire as you say, yes?
Yes.
So how you complain? How no manage to be a millionaire in a them the time there. So me sure no say most of them they rich overnight. I throw the whole of them the time they achieve the whole of what they have.
And
So you should be grateful and give God thanks and lift the People's National Party up.
Under the same regime, might I say, because remember say at the same work, I line of work them in, so you turn billionaire in the same line of work. So how is it that you mash up how you can be a millionaire in the same under the same regime? I don't understand. And you not do nothing different, but you still become a millionaire. And these people still believe that. That they believe in? They believe it. It's sad. Did you see the article with what NWC say when promise them they're not aware, right?
When you say NWC, when you say them are rubbish in claims.
Yeah, they must say what them promise the people. Them say they don't do with them. NWC say they're not aware, right?
JPS soon say the same thing too. Come sure no say the man JPS have no arrangement with what him saying. No.
Wait, so we are talking about the 22 million we him saying give all of the MP them.
When you say
And
go
then
fear for NWC debts, if people them not aware of it, that the promise is there. Why promise them? Don't you see it in Cleaner? You never see it and even Mark them come out contacting and even them come out yanders them come out and they talk about it. So them never went aware of it either. And the Cleaner said that the Cleaner come out with that article so them not aware of it.
Andrew just need to stop tell damn lie and stop take people for fool. And that you need to do.
You can't take it. I know say work, you not actually take nobody for fool if by the time him say when him say we find out the truth, himself him and make look like a asshole. That's the truth.
And you have one whole heap of liquor idiot run up and down back of him every day and talk about oh blah 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 Andrew I'm like Prime Minister, Mr. Prime Minister that fool.
Hold on there. You see this one named Jennifer Brooks. You don't say if you stop bad minding Honorable Prime Minister. Remember, so they say doctor not valid enough, so you need to go check that part there. No new taxes. Listen me. First of all, Jamaican people cannot who that talk against Andrew, cannot badman Andrew for anything because remember our money.
No, if you remember say Andrew honest bad mind she and the whole of Jamaican cause if you name bad mind you thief the taxpayer money have 28 account.
Exactly.
If you have bad mind him one would thief so much money and have 28 account. So anybody bad mind Andrew honest bad mind.
Yeah, I read too. Because
read.
remember say free money we attack against, So nobody come contact but if it stop bad man.
I remember no Andrew alone a thief from the yard. His wife a thief, him a thief. So a two thief in a one yard a double standard that.
Setting a foundation for the children, man.
You get when I say two thief in a one yard a thief billions, not one but two. That enough to talk about.
Them the two boys are wealthy already, them alright.
Them they alright and that them a thief in here we are going and when them a go alright again.
Untouchable, you want to say something this morning? Good morning.
My blood a black boil man, my blood a...
Yeah man, spill it man, spill it. I know I right time to spill it. Let it go, make it run.
No, I'm not going to talk. No, but when I say a while ago about the 18 years, like most of the whole 3% of the houses that are now they are fully built in Jamaica and have owners. These owners had purchased these houses in those 18 years, right? And now we as regular Jamaicans cannot afford the housing solutions that they have now. Me as a young girl, 28-year-old, me apply for house till my week, but even if me get through with getting a house through NHT, I would have to take another loan from the bank to back it up because the prices are very much embarrassing, right? The only persons that I know are owning houses, these houses for 33 million and up, are the returning residents, right? And the returning residents themselves now live in them houses because they say it's not safe. So what they're doing is just them just an Airbnb it out.
Yeah, what
they're doing.
really happens there, is that if you look at the amount of houses the housing trust has built within the 9 years of this government, compared to 1 year of the 18 years they're talking about, you realize the drift is these houses are getting so expensive because Andrew Wallace and his clique as farm what is known as construction company, they taking the money from housing trust building these houses, sell it at an exorbitant price and give my cousin just the money.
Right, and not only that, these housing them scheme we are build nowadays, if a 200 unit bill, 20 out of NHD. So how will that benefit the masses?
But if I didn't give it back to NHD sell it at a cost which is so high. If NHD had already put in the scheme itself, a 2-bedroom will cost you about $9-10 million right now. It wasn't just built it. But because it is involving these private people, they need to make much million out of it. That's why it come back out so expensive.
And in addition to that,
The same person was lodging the money in Andrew's account secretly every month was one of those contractors who billing in charge. He's the head of housing trust, and at the same time, he run a construction company and Andrew is build these houses.
Look at nepotism at all angles. Hey, I for auditing, I forgot doing it when we come back.
Yeah, I asked Andrew about him saying, I'll let the man 400 million a month to pay him back.
Where was a done deal for me when the Integrity Commission saga came up, argument came up, and just them asked all and people them and they don't know about them being investigated. And he well and know say he was one of the persons being investigated by the IGA.
But then if they see, give us the rest of them too.
Oh my God. Like, them people now want me them yay.
And you still have so much JLP I run up and down I talk about show labor right and play.
You do man tell the son like that she sell her house from back Andrew only.
Not true. Not true.
I want journalist ask her where she sleep. She said she sleep on the roadside.
We show you how low and
they are what you call hero worshippers.
Worthless. Worthless.
How can you want to sell your house and go sleep on the roadside? The man we thief from you, rob your money to pay you, not for we.
The
man below.
And then another thing, that young lady that went up to represent the youths, I talk about the $15,000, and I talk about back then her mother did get $6,000. But guess what? Her mother did still send her through school, don't it? With that $6,000 a week, don't it? $6,000 back, $15,000 back then is not the same $15,000 now. If you have $15,000,
what that 6,000 could do, 20,000 can't do it now.
Exactly, and at that them not realize, you know.
Exactly.
$6,000 was like a $20,000 now. You could have got take it and shop and do a lot of things back in the day.
People, I went to a little mini supermarket up the road from last night. I have one of the man them where he's a daily hustler. You know, they come and they would have sent to go take out your garbage or to carry some material or something of the sort, something like that. And going to summer, he was in front of me. He took up a Maggi, the sachet of Maggi. He took up a onion, tomato. I don't know what kind of meat that's in it. Look like a chicken, piece of chicken, and 1 little pound, 1 pound of rice. So I must see the 1 pound mark on it. 1 pound of retail rice and something else. And the total came up to $900 and something dollars. I mean, I said 900 and him alone, you know. It's not like him have a family, you know, a whole family, you know. But I say him alone leave. I mean, I said, Ross, I've put that alone this last, so I say, yes. $1,000.
Yeah, but you know, that's nothing much to come. They make it like that to a bulla. I buy a bulla and a back milk and a $400.
Listen to me. This charity no. You can't do blame them, you know, cause them government no like education at all, you know. They not understand the economy.
The difference with these labor right people, them settle for any and everything. They settle just for a night dinner. They settle for a belly full. Once them belly full, once they get a cup with some rum special night, them good. And once they go down the song, they can get something to eat or beg somebody sitting them alright. Them only for a belly full. Them is for nothing more.
No matter about wage freeze, people were able to still buy houses and take care of them household and send themselves to school, buy car, buy food, do everything, pay bills. Them never did a ball them time there. Me see my parents, I am a 90s pitney, and me never, my father used to run taxi and my mother security. And me not see my parents a go along with themselves, and the house where me handle right now was built back then. And she was just a security. Earning, if we look on her pay slip, she was earning like a fortnight $19,000. $19,000 fortnight, and the lady bill our house. She and my father. Come on, man. I'm not saying the economy run good now, but no new taxes.
Also, we bill now are people where either them overseas or work or them a get help from overseas or something. But people used to work naturally and build them house back in the days. I bet them no work there 9 to 5 now and build a house.
One time you could have buy a 100 black and start your thing and build for me.
Yeah.
I don't
But
know.
I bet them to do it now.
Why that no?
Tell them to do it now. Since they want to do it.
Furniture alone right now, I take your arm and a leg. Furniture alone, like things to put in the house, I take your arm and a leg.
And the fiction tile and the window them. I said, yeah.
People used to do farming. People used to do farming back in the day. Since as them want to go back down there, so people used to do farming and build house. Right? People used to raise cow and goat and things like that and build house. Can they do it now?
Yeah, how much people like a farmer can still build house?
Eh?
Well, a farmer with money still, because you have to have money for push the farm. Like you have to plant a cow,
farming, poor people like that. That's about poor people. That's about poor people, because people who really can do that kind of farming there right now are people who have money.
You have to go broke your back, man.
Millions in night.
Yeah, you have to go broke your back if you are a poor man. You can't manage.
I'm talking about the poor man. I'm not talking about the man who can afford it. Because the man who can't do that thing, that I tell you, say, me have some money. Because if you go do some real farming now, you have to have a couple million put on. Couple millions have to put on to deal with that. And poor people don't have millions. And jinglings poor people have in their pocket. You get what I say? So poor people can't do that. Poor people can't chat that road there again, brother. It's hard. People could all show a partner one time and do all kind of thing. Right now, it look like people are there show a partner again.
Another thing, the $20,000 when you say my give next year, it's for persons who aren't on part or who aren't on social pension or at all. Why they not get the money here? They're not taxpayer. Why are they getting it? Why they not get it?
Alright.
Somebody can tell me why. Me not bad man nobody for them 20,000 when am I getting now. But me have to think, me have to talk about my money when me I pay for tax.
It is campaign from
The 20,000 now. The 20,000 now is for people who earn 3 million and less. Right now. But the next year, one I promise, I'm saying into show saying clearing. Those who didn't earn, they're not getting none. They won't get about you ain't come from again.
Like this don't make no sense. Even in a COVID, just somebody wanna tearing when needed a work from day one, get the $10,000. They never they work before, you know. They just sit down at the yard and they just get $10,000. Me not be bad mind. Me no want to source of my bad mind. But my money me I defend. Me I defend my money when me pay for tax.
You file tax return a year time?
No sir, I don't earn so much. Only NHT. Only NHT.
And this is your own will come from. The one we are talking about, you have to file for them things. Them not just give them money, this stuff.
No, you can't file for it unless you pay PAYE. And let them say, once you pay income tax, pay as you earn.
All your statutory tax, the pay everything. Your NIS, your education tax, your housing trust, and your income tax.
I want back my money because I not get what me I pay for. Because schools, like, alright, somebody else, do you know, where does the education tax, where does it, where?
Going to the consular fund.
Where?
Consular fund.
What's that? So, it's just put in a pool, a generalized pool, and then they use it for whatever they want to use it for.
Yeah.
So I'm just think that it always just go to education alone.
So why them label it as education tax? Why get labeled as education if it not go towards education?
That's not coming to taxing.
Then the country not run good, man. The people of Jamaica never know what for.
You see the labor right there? That's the labor. I said it yesterday. They love freeness. They love freeness, you know. Because here them are going to say free education. But yet still the schools are in shambles. The buildings are deteriorating. Right? Yeah, the student, the path pitney them now get the lunch there what they're supposed to get. And they're being forced to pay $100 $150 to get the path lunch now. And it's supposed to be 100% free.
But
They must have free health. But the little machine them, the bare minimum machine them no, in the hospital, they're referring these persons to private companies to do these MRIs and these CT scans and these echo.
Well, untouchable. Well, I know when they got hospital and they say free health and them give the prescription, they didn't know there be expired drugs them give. They didn't know that every pill where you get if it not expire tomorrow by the week we done it not last.
It not costing the government. The pharmacies are now run by a national health fund in the cost the government.
When them say free health, when we get the prescription, me no bother go to the free pharmacy because the drugs them.
Free drugs. So I learned something in school. What's it called? Globalization. And that's the reason. Correct me, Adina. And that's the reason why we like the waist meat them, like the chicken back and the chicken back and the turkey neck and them something. That's why the big countries like the US they tend to send those to Jamaica and other minor countries.
Free trading.
So basically that's the same thing that is happening. We're getting almost expired drugs. The same thing.
But them drugs where them give no work. The antibiotic where them are give say free in a work. Waste of time. You say go buy the medicine because one
As
of
a
them are
matter of fact, let me tell you this. I live in front of a clinic. When me say live in front of a clinic, like me can, it's just a minute walk from my house, right? And I realized that there are no drugs in the pharmacy part, the pharmacy section.
yeah, that's true. That's true. If them do have it, it expire. But if it not expire, them not. If them a test, you
In
gotta have to go.
addition to that, there in addition to that, there is a clinic that is close by also that is supposed to they're supposed to have dentists, right? To say like the general public and stuff. And now they're saying that they have been instructed to only see pregnant people and persons with diabetes. Now they're having restrictions. No.
Diabetes, hypertension, and pregnant mothers. Huh? You have to understand the government and the Ministry of Health has not been financing most of these hospitals and health centers. The the National Health Fund has taken on a lot of responsibility for the health. They are now paying pharmacists in every clinic and every hospital. In other words, because the government salary was not attracting pharmacists. Everybody gone out into private. So the pharmacists were being run without pharmacists, which is a breach of law. So the National Health Fund decided that we'll take on that responsibility and pay your pharmacists. Pay them a very good salary that they can stay in the hospital and the health centers. Also, they are the person who buying over a lot of these ambulances here around. They are the same persons who have been looking cheap drugs all over the place to get it affordable to the ordinary person. So it takes away a lot of responsibility from the government. But at the same time, it should give the government more space to do more in terms of infrastructure and other stuff for the hospitals. And it's not being done. Still not being done.
So, all right. And I assure so we can just jungle justice Andrew and call it.
Oh, no, but with that over.
with the jungle
But
justice.
we don't deal with those things.
What is going to get Andrew doing? When Andrew left the election, he's going to get the same dose like Evans. Can't get back power. Nobody, people have, well, catch a dose here again. The big promises of 1980, which has never been fulfilled, and today, and then Jamaicans did not forgive him. So for 18 years, every election, he meant time lose. Same thing about Andrew always. You can't come out making these big promises and don't deliver. You have to deliver.
Nah, understand. The amount of thing where Andrew not do right now, it come like say a back way the country I go. But it's a reverse.
2015, Andrew let's tell this nation, saying the first 100 days of his government, you can sleep with your front door, you will know them why nothing can go. Him have a farmer, if you control crime, but nobody have to be in if you're going to your bed. No, instead of controlling crime, get worse.
And we've been sleeping with our eyes open ever since.
So,
So make that make sense. Like, hey, I watch the conference, and I where you call copy pecker. As we used to say in a primary school when one pick me a copy name about copy pecker. Like they try to push this narrative also about women empowerment. And it's the first lady, Miss 13, size 13, she just make it so fake. She's so fake about women empowerment. She not even empower the woman them in her own party.
When you talk about women empowerment, The JLP has won the first election in 1962, and women were seen as nothing. Women get pregnant and they were not married. After leave their job, they couldn't even go back to work. It was a Michael Manley in 1970 who decided to change all these and put in more laws to protect women. The women movement at the PNP started under Michael Manley. The PNP started so much empowerment of women with the assistance of Beverly Manley. So them just trying to copy something, but they're not really empowering women.
Right, and PMP did make the woman them have a seat at the table in making plans.
Yeah.
Right from ever since long time business that. So I don't know why them a try push the narrative to say that like PMP doesn't like females.
The PNP will decide that women must get maternity leave with pay.
Right, and equal pay.
Equal pay for women.
And this is something that I realize that Jamaica go wrong from at the beginning. Them expect you to come and vote for them when you turn 18, but up until then, nobody now teach you nothing about the history at the party them. So you just get, when one day if you just get up and choose, either may I vote for this or may I vote for this, without no knowledge. I feel like them to learn from year one before them ready for vote. That's when them ready for vote, they know which choice are the right choice.
If you keep a black man doesn't like to read, you know. So if you put things in writing and never see it, you have to go to the teacher and tell it to him. Before 1972, if your father, you were born out of wedlock as a man or a boy or a girl, you couldn't, and your father got married, you couldn't get any asset from your father, you know. So you're seen as a bastard. So it's only the lawful children could inherit what your father owned. You couldn't own it. It was a PNP going to come to power and part of it is known as the Bastard Act. Which I say no bastard, no there again. Every child is a child.
Yeah.
But me say a video of a woman post and try to say big up PNP and make me get my father last name.
Yeah.
I read it a second time and I say, Lord, not the bastard thing, no matter.
Bastard.
Yeah, the Bastard Act.
You know.
Uh-huh.
You know why you tell them when they don't realize they're going to happen. So maybe 6 months ago, Biden come out and say, the Coke port to United States when I hope is Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
Now we know see Prime Minister, President of United States now say Mexico need to control them border with the people when they come through and the drugs. Now we know plan to slap them with a 25% tariff, which now internally are going to affect all that we will buy goods and services of foreign, because don't think that those suppliers are cushion the 25% increase and the cost of the customer.
Yeah, must go to the consumer.
So when we are jump if people who raise say one any good, we have a big problem coming. Because remember, so we don't produce a lot already. We never produce nothing. Almost
even what you produce, the raw material come from abroad to produce it.
So the operational costs are going to increase more.
Yeah.
And then who we are selling to the most willing to buy it at that higher cost either. Because we are only playing a market.
Cheaper markets out there.
So we have a big problem ahead, because at this point I know women are threatened. We know say right now unemployment good is sky in Canada. The majority are thousands of truck drivers. If company have a high cost, they will cut driver.
Canada is having a big economic problem right now.
But them don't understand. When you tell a man you have some city in Canada now where it don't make no sense to apply for government labor market job, you're not getting it because the unemployment rate is too high. Some areas you can get job easily. Some places are not going to get the job because there's literally like no job there.
You see, if you listen to the JLP conference on Sunday, they're boasting about free zone. They're putting up the free zone in St. Thomas though, and they're going to build a free zone in St. Mary. The free zone is modern slavery. You work there for hours or just a minimal pay. You can't survive from it. In other words, yes, you get employment, but you both say you create more employment. But at what? It's not a livable wage. You can't live off it. And we have seen the JLP done it before. See, I got bring this free zone in. Those free zone, see, I got use it. Those billions were built by Michael Malley to encourage investors to come open factories. What Mr. Siaga did was carrying the guys them from Taiwan and all these places to open it up as garments. So the Devon shirt you're buying in America was built in Jamaica. The tax rate was put in America. Most of these name brands were built here, but for minimal salary. And you had to produce it, you're paid on production. In order to make $100, you have to produce so much 100 shirt. So the people start to rebel. They couldn't survive. And if you listen to them in the call centers now, they're calling out. They cannot survive from the salary from, because if none of the free zones are, it becomes call centers, you know. So in other words, people are really known as outsourcing. When you're in England, you take up a phone and call an operator, you might be talking to an operator in Jamaica. If you're in Jamaica and take up a phone, you can be talking to an operator. But anywhere they find it cheaper labor, that's where they put this company align themselves. They notice telephone come redundant all telephone operators many years ago because these call centers are being opened all over the world. But anywhere you can find the cheaper labor, you have to be switching to the cheaper labor.
And exactly. And not only that, if when them are gonna make it sound like we're promoting for the minimum wage not to increase, but when the minimum wage in the country continuously increases, it's going to force the call centers to pay a certain amount.
They lose business,
Right.
people can find a cheaper market.
Listen to me, and the Jamaica is not cheap. The Philippines is cheaper.
Very cheap.
Venezuela is cheaper. Right. So persons don't understand that they're going to talk about, yes, cost centers and a lot of jobs are being provided, but as the minimum wage increases, it's going to force the cost centers to increase the bids that the wage that they give.
You see the chain reaction for the past couple of weeks happening in the hotels. Every week another hotel go on strike. Because what? You go abroad and you promote hotel spaces, lands are available to build these hotels. These guys, listen to you, they come to Jamaica, they build these big 5-star hotel. The same guys, they are not new to hotels, they own hotels in other countries in the world.
Right.
They own hotels in America and they are paying their workers, they can't pay less, $22 to $28 an hour in America. I'm paying the Jamaican $2 per hour. You can't blame them. This is where you market. You tell them you can give the space and cheaper labor. And if you're a businessman, you'll move towards cheaper labor. Unless you have a conscience, you know, say, no, that's modern slavery. Same thing is going on in the Dominican Republic. I have friends who went out to the Dominican Republic who went into investment and was there encouraging me. Come Dominica, $500 can pay so many persons to work in Dominican Republic. Because the people from Haiti are hungry, they come across easily and they're good workers, they're hard workers. They will work for that little bit of money just to buy a bread.
Yeah, my friend has a club there. I same thing in that's the best
Robert Lee from Best Dress went down. Zevi, my good friend of mine from Israel, went down. And Zevi was encouraging to come here. When I saw it, I said, no, that's modern slavery. You can't work people for nothing. That's unfair. It's modern slavery. Nobody's putting a chain around you anymore and dry you into the work. You know, you look in the work, but the work is paying you little or nothing. I notice that you're not. It's simple in Jamaica. No worker in Jamaica will get a pension another couple years from now because they're all contract workers. They give a contract for sign for a year or 2 years. So even some of these hotels, all of these hotel workers, one of the things that if I they say they want to be employees, not contract workers, because what? They have no benefit. At the end of your term, you're going home without $1. And who's going to take up your slot in that old age to take care of you now? Because you have no pension. Because you're on a contract. And these are the things Mark Golden talking about. We have to stop it. You're taking away the benefit from the older people and getting an older age. You can't do it. The government is going to take up the slot and give you a pension. So you see, a lot of persons don't understand what is happening and then jump when Andrew talking garbage. It is not helping you as an individual. These guys who own the hotel only carry a minimal amount of money to Jamaica, you know, because you pay the hotel fees from whatever country you're coming from. Them bank account is in those countries. The accountant only sending enough to make sure you can get paid and then pay for whatever goods you buy here. So it's like they have one foot in it. The minute anything change, they just lift up and they go back to where they come from. Hotel closed down, you have nothing to get.
So now they're being forced to take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it. As simple as that. Now, when it's looking so bad every week, hotels are closing down because people guess. But you notice even the guests are coming to the hotel, while people are coming and join a whole placard with this workers. Because when they learn, say, oh my God, these people are working for $2 per hour. They join them and say, no, I agree with them. Better conditions. You can't. And we pay so much to be here, thousands of US dollars to be here. And all they give you is $2 out of the hour. For a whole day, you only earn 16 US dollars. And them tell a pipe back, no tips. I was shocked. I visited a friend of mine who a tailor shop. I said the hotel workers carrying a uniform. You know, they get them at the standard, they're not your real size. So they have to adjust it and taking some of the pants or taking the shirt, fit properly fit. And they are telling me, so the hotel say you have to soak the pocket. All the pockets must be sewed up. I say, soak the pocket for what? Because you can't put nothing in your pocket. You can't collect tips, you can't do anything. So they make sure you sew your pockets.
Holiness. That's bull. And in America, it's a tip-free place.
They're not allowing you to take tips in Jamaica anymore.
What are they? Oh yeah, that's true. Because what they do is like, if they're going to give tips, I think you have to do that electronically.
Right. And you get that hotel, get it?
Right, and what the hotel do, them like every other fortnight, depends on the hotel, they collect that and split it up between the staff, gratuity, or between the partners.
You think you're extra check and tell us, oh, that's your bonus. Are you tip well and leave it?
It's a gratuity.
Nothing is coming from their pocket.
Wickedy.
Modern slavery, my dear.
Slavery. Always, would never work at hotel in Jamaica still. Always for that. I think my mental health come first.
You can't think it never work, but when people, especially mothers, when they have children, because none of these mothers don't have a father who have with the children. So when they get the clutch, job out, they're glad to take it because it don't mean much. You're one guy on the strike and say, when they get paid every week, boy, my people, you know, you're something but from your mother, or I'm sure to get back at work. So you think how you do?
As I thought, oh my God, it's the same thing where
I never fit to understand that. I don't even want to think that because I
Oh, sorry.
What some of the hotels,
That's why, sorry.
okay.
what some of the hotels do to cushion it is to buy buses. So they have staff bus who goes, and if a staff bus miss you, but I know you have to go jump on taxi to go work. They're responsible for your taxi fare. The staff bus run between a certain area, too much 3 times per day, picking up staff and taking it to the hotel. So they cushion some of your blow by giving you a free ride to work.
At least.
No, not all hotels, some doing it. Sandals has been buying buses and pick up staff. Well, couple hotels has been buying buses now.
But that's still modern day slavery. Still they cushion it. They're still not paying not even half as what they pay persons in America. It's the same thing, you know. I used to work at a call center, right? But to be honest, that cost, I've worked at 2 call centers. 2. I've worked at Sutherland and I've worked at Ibex. Sutherland for most of the time. Sutherland is more professional, right? But Ibex, that is slavery. Anyways, when I was on an account and that specific account that you have only had one account manager, that account manager did oversee agents in Las Vegas and here in Jamaica. Now, that did cause Faith well away. They used to communicate a lot when we were on Zoom meetings, made some friendships and stuff. And when they talk, we had conversations on what they had received when they over there. So, call it so when we depend the account in Jamaica, we're working like $3 an hour. But over there in Las Vegas, they're getting $16 and $17, and we're doing the same work. Right? So we are saying, so that them can't do America that, you know. They can't do them America that, you know. They can't try that shit over there, you know. But I Jamaica, they have.
America is serious about their minimum wage.
Oh, I tell you. And even so, they were complaining about their salary because I guess it was just the minimum wage. But Jamaica, them allow these call centers to come. Yes, it's employment. As the people them left out of high school, drop out as they graduate, so they never make the summer breeze off. Once they reach 18, straight in a call center, then gone. Because the university, some of them want to go to university, but the fees, oh my God! And even if you get for go student loan, you know, remember say most of the major universities are in Kingston. I remember say them have to find them we are Kingston. If a picnic come from Westmoreland or even Manchester, them have to find boarding, and in addition to boarding, they have to find food.
Let me. You see, when the PNP was in power and announced free education, you paid nothing from primary school straight up to university. You didn't pay, but your board, them type of people, see them a charge the Chancellor Hall and Mary C. Cole Hall and Taylor Hall for university now. A big money to stay on campus.
Yeah, man.
Big, it's like your rent house out the road. It's unfair. We used to get the boarding free. But if you get the boarding free, you cannot get the boarding grant. I was living off campus, so I got what is known as a boarding grant. Every time you see a name and you notice where that means I check it at the office for you. So you're getting money while you're at university studying.
But that's something that I tell somebody, you know. But I tell somebody say PNP had created a lot of relationships with different countries and donors, and for that they have always been sponsoring and sending monies to the university.
My days at university, we have students from Trinidad, Barbados, and Lucia, all the Caribbean countries. But they were given grants from their country to study here. So what Michael Manley did is to say, well, if their countries providing grants, we have to provide grants for our native too. So every time I say my name up there, I'm going to collect my check. I mean, to pay 10 cents for change the check out our admin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ladies and gentlemen. Do you know me want to ask you something? Remember what you said? I wish here Selassie I come here.
Oh, I don't remember.
In the 70s. In the early 70s.
Yeah.
Who was the government?
PNP was the government in the 70s.
Remember that in a conference with the KG.
No, but you have to understand their speech at the conference. They have me created that bad blood with the rest of faith. So
When the Rasta will vote for PNP, them last.
they
Even
are
about
not
PNP,
trying. They are not
JLP.
trying to build back a relationship with the Rasta. So that's why they claim that them bring Selassie here.
But Mr. Dino, the young lady did say, don't it?
Yeah.
The young
No,
lady.
why me say so still in a day, you know? You see, two way you say with the college thing and the benefits where people fair benefit from the college as poor people, because some Michael Manley them they set out the thing for people can have education. You see it from first class to last class can have the same, you know, in a society or whatever.
But if you go back,
Come here,
go back and read your history.
when Selassie I come here,
Michael had to do it, you know, because up to the time of the JLP government, only 1% of Jamaicans could read and write, you know. Only 1% of Jamaicans had a good education. So Michael had to create, and that's why he created Jamal. All those people who missed the boat in the 60s got a chance at education through Jamal. Jamal is an adult education, you know.
You know, my father side of family a laborer. My mother side of family a laborer. But my mother, father a PNP, him come from Trelawney. That my grandfather, him a PNP. But through my mother, them grew up down a Hutchinson constituency, them follow them friend them. I follow them and say laborer. They don't have a choice with themselves. Me grew up and me do the study in my general. And me I say, me can't follow my family them, you know. Cause this a party I look like a oppression party, you know. Yeah. Although the two party them have them, they say you survive better in a one. And it have to be the PNP. So when me do my study and me I say, to the track record the PNP have what them do for poor people. My office say that party there. Me can't say the other party because for them track record I oppress people from Boston.
Most of the GLP are shame, you know.
From Boston to you
education system created Jamal for the older person to go back to school and learn to read and write, learn to get education. I know people who go Jamal and become a teacher, you know. Finish university and get their degree and become a teacher. I know people who were serious and go forward and use the opportunities. Most of the GLP felt shame and they did not go to the adult class. Them never go. That's why they still remain dark.
That's how I feel. Cause one time, you know, big woman thing, you know, me tell you the truth. You see, to when me see her go on and the fight when me see her go on in a party, me did there on a sideline stay chilling and I watch what go on. You know. But you see, when me see Marky G come in and I observe how Marky G a move and him thing, and me say, you know, see Marky G come like our next Michael Manley.
Exactly.
You see me? And me did and me say, no man, not have to support that man. Yeah. You see me? Him have to go kill himself, you know. Him have to go kill himself.
Me tell you something. I asked that question last night. What is the difference between Michael Manley and Mark Golden? There's no difference. Mark Golden, father is from England, a white man, come to Jamaica. Not with an intention to live in Jamaica. He was passing through Jamaica on his way to America. We had an outbreak of polo, and Bustamante asked him to stay over and help us with polo. Him stay here, develop the monorail, treat people for polo, and has never left here. Build a home here. Find a little woman from Westmoreland and married to her and have his children. So him spending life giving to Jamaica, which is it was never. Michael Malish was born and grown in England. Mother.
And then when me look for it, you know, Marky G wife is a black woman. Not even, me not really like say call people black. Cause black whiskey and no black a chocolate. So him have a chocolate woman. You see me? Him have one chocolate skin woman. And him coulda go for one of him native them, you know.
He's
a man with a pre like them a look on it and I say yo Ray ma this and him a that. Him a natural bro.
It's the same thing as I said, there's no difference between him and Michael. Michael was a privileged child. Michael went to GC. which all the millionaire children went. David Core went to JC. These guys were come from wealthy families who could afford it. But Michael came back to politics and decided, no, you can't be fair that some people can get it and some can't get it. Because only the man, if you notice when Michael announced free education, the big shot people, let's start taking them picnic from GSC, where black picnics like GSC, taking them picnics and go Miami, go to school, 'Cause they saw themselves, and we had what is known as a class society in Jamaica. You push any bank door in Jamaica up to 1970, you never see a black teller. The only black staff in the bank are who map out the bank. It was a Michael Manley who changed all that era.
So you know say Dino, me is a person where I love politics. And not just Jamaica politics, me the world politics me zone in. So you see to the shift when me see the world I go to. Cause if you observe, the shift for the world I go to, look upon Trump, Trump have a European color, But him mind and him heart black. Cause if you notice where Trump stand for, you're not go get no white man like him come out and do them something there, You understand? So when you see we are going right round the world and the geographical change and shift we are going, man. I'm Marky J, I forget Prime Minister. I just call him for call it. I eat we are wait, man.
Marky G was a privileged child again too.
Yeah, man.
But you see the schools he went to? Be a high color schools. But then he chose a black wife. And this I say, listen, things have to change in this country and everybody must get the same opportunity.
The man
just
different.
Just like a Michael Manley again.
Him different, man. I can see when people different. So I see Mama PC it in him, And I know when me rate with him too. Him never forget where him come from. Him always tell them say I'm Mama P.
He's coming to politics as a billionaire, And that is why he could tell us. You can tell the government, give my salary to the poor. A percentage of my salary every month goes to for the poor. A percentage goes for brothers are doing him there. He's helping.
Hold on the morning, Dino!
Who said that?
Dino! Tell them to backside. Tell them. Start over your statement. Good morning, my comrade family. Dino! Start it over where you start again. Make them talk, make them hear.
That's so nice.
You donate him salary every month to the poor. Him not need it.
Mama be the seat in him.
You must remember the man bank, him selling bank to Scotia Bank for millions and millions of US dollars. So him can't broke. Proving is a company he owns that makes him how much million per day.
No, Dino.
So the government sorry him not need it. They say give it to the poor.
Talk no man.
There are poor people who need it. Give it to them.
And not just Jamaica.
Oh man, him going over in Bahamas, I do a big set of housing development over there. Poor people can get cheaper house to live in. His business is international.
Okay.
Bunting didn't come to politics as a poor man either. Bunting came here as a rich man into politics. Beat you, Shearer and Clarendon, sit as a member of parliament for a couple years and resign and go back into private business, become richer again and come back to politics. They don't come to politics for money, they have money.
They have money.
And if the money and a small money, they have billions of dollars.
Remember a fox with deal with and a lion and a cat in a deal, a fox. You see me?
Andrew Oldest leave school in the 90s, work for food, the same place pump money, food for the poor, in got food for go to volunteer service. Then him
I think one thing they come out in our 2003 article say him have one outstanding
student
loan. Yes.
Student loan, he went to university.
We know say him did poor.
While he was at food for the poor doing volunteer service, he wrote Mr. Sierra letters showing that he has an interest in politics. I'm say I got took him and them arm, put him in the prime minister office and have him a groom him. Say him a teaching politics. Then finally say I got tell him about the seat and he got try the seat and win it. And he was a very young man when he win the seat too, very young. That was a traditional PNP seat and he going and win it.
Him
Then,
never win that seat then already, you know.
It went to court, the court game.
Better you said that the court game, but we know say him no win that.
Well, that's why going at Jamaican politics, the court is the final decision, the court gave it to him.
Yeah, and we are rush at about what they in one case with the 5 boy them we do the little incident say it will how it look, it will go court and it go fibble-dibble. You see me? So we know say that seat there, him lose 2 times. I just try him as the prime minister.
You understand? So the court gave it to him and he becomes the member of parliament. Then when Bruce, I think and when Bruce called him in the making him, his wealth came from 2008 and become Minister of Education, you know. But up to that point, you know, in picture publishing agreements and host, you know. And the man does make a turnaround and become a minister. Bam.
Hold on. Remember where I said, you know, I want to try to get something straight. The constituency there, you know it, though?
Yeah, man.
Majority at our.
Ghetto.
No, majority at a PNP. From I just Tower Hill this, you know. And where they call this, so?
Because always a strong PNP here, you know. Very strong PNP.
That's one part of Cockburn Pen, this Ali right, you know. So we know say him no win it. Cause you have Jews land this, you have Samakan, you have a water house in a Patrick Roberts.
Yeah, man.
So how him fi win?
I mean, he's saying come out the win at all time, we don't know. But
Some people they be go on and we know.
He's a strong PNP.
Him never win that seat there.
It's a very strong PMC constituency.
Okay.
Things and time, you remember when Portia win, it was a strong JLP constituency too, you know. Portia went in and run as a councillor and win, you know, one little section, and then Michael said you have a potential, step up. And she go run and win, keep big winning big and bigger each time.
What make you think my ask you, alright, say I come to where me talk about now. What make you think me ask you why here Selassie I come here? Because I can't see.
Well, that's not win the seat by no big majority, you know.
The constituency there, done a Mama P there, so. The school we done there, it was supposed to be a college. And them, me don't know what them do, and them build a school down there. The money we Selassie I donate to the government is supposed to be a college down at PN there, so. What they call Haile Selassie.
Hold on. Hello, morning, sir. Morning all around upon the platform. How old are you, young man?
Me do history, man. Me young, but me do...
Man. No. Me not talk about what you do. Give me your age bracket.
Alright, me na me 30 black.
Oh, alright. Yeah, man. You are on, you know, you really are there research and
man a fuck to deal with, man, and a lion and a cat.
You understand me?
Yeah. To deal with, man. Alright,
hold on, man. Me used to live at Dudney Road. Me used to go to Seaward School. Seaward All-Age School in a Tower Hill. Me used to live at Lower Mall Road. Me used to live at Gretna Green Avenue. Yeah. So me know the constituency where I talk about there. You see the one where you say in a politics what they call Ferdy Yap.
Yeah.
Where you used to own the Diamond Drinks Factory and the Diamond Toilet Paper Factory over in Asamakande in front of D&G and Biscuit Factory.
over there's a ton one tractor place, you know.
Alright.
I go over the name again. But a
Because
be a
what
chat,
it's
I see them do other warehouse thing over there too, you know.
Yeah, man. Remember say it was a big open land, you know.
I want
Yeah,
big place over there, man.
It
yeah,
was a
yeah,
big open land.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Oi. How long now you know about round there, sir?
History me do, you know, I'm go around some great
No, man. Me
mine.
I thought you live there, you know. Well, it's when you come on Tower Avenue there, and before you go over the little gully bridge, I right there
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
market, you said every Saturday morning.
Yeah. So when me I try say you see, as a youth when me do the thing I me see say yo, this a party are more help the people them than the other party, you know. So I them me have to go work with, you know. You see me? So I be a bangal. I mash him and them I mash up the thing, you know, all of them something where them have where them a giddy up and you know, a mama p pipeline them, you know. I come from PG to Mama P them pipeline, you know. And me tell them, you know, say, see, when Marky G get this country,
But hear him say, him a go
a 3
implement.
Mount Everest him have to go move. 3 Mount
I good at
Everest.
20. I good at 20, my brother. We hear him say him a go reduce GCT and light bill. Make we see why him a go do. Because I hear it pan smaddy. And him not have no plan for that.
Reduce
He
the
have no plan. I hear that from somebody in a let me tell you something. You see them, me don't want me never want to hear them.
But baby king, reducing GCT and light bill does not help the poor.
Ah,
Take up your light bill and look in front of you right now. The GCT is minimal. So move it from 15% to 7 and light bill. You know help the poor.
how much poor people are use 300 kilowatt?
But before you go there, sir, but before you no go there, sir, you grant that are the man where are the president and the CEO of JPS now, because I come like Kelly Tamlin sell JPS to you grant. I know me not hear an interview from you grant fi say if him up with what the prime minister say, because remember say JPS is a private thing. Them only have what 20 or 15% in them.
I think 20% shares in it.
20%. So them have 80% majority shares call. I mean, hear the president for JPS come on, come say if them agree or them like the idea with the prime. I send them a sell dreams. Sell them a sell dreams.
That cutting of the GCT will not affect the JPS. You know. Them make their money just that's government money, you know.
Yeah.
When JPS collect it, they send over to the government every month.
And a US for them thing talk, you know.
Fine. So you must remember now. It wouldn't affect them. They never make no statement like that. Not affect them any at all. That's not. They're not. That's not cutting into their profit.
No, we understand that, you know. But as a private entity dealing with the
Prime Minister wanted to help the majority of Jamaica and the productive sector of Jamaica. What he should have announced is a reduction of the taking away of the taxes that is cost and the fluid.
Simple as that.
That is what pushed up the light bill. But you tell me, everybody is paying 3 different taxes on fluid. They promise us.
Same like how you have 4 different identification in a Jamaica.
Simple. See what you pay for fluid. There's 3 to 4 taxes paid on petroleum in Jamaica. And that's what push the price so high. So JPS has to pay high fluid bill. Look at your light bill, tell you kilowatt per hour, you might burn 400. That comes to a couple of dollars. Not much, you don't burn much light.
And then Venezuela
cost, which is calculated in US dollar.
And then Venezuela now look upon them, you know, because they mash up the deal, mama.
This is where the beating coming from, because when your light bill goes up to 20,000, but you only burn $2,000 worth of light. And when you talk to government about it, then tell you, oh, we can't do nothing about that.
Me believe say the new meter where them have, where them say a smart meter, me not trust them. The new meter, them me see them come in, and them say it.
New meter is not about the new meter; is a new technology. In other words, JPS is cutting their costs. With the new meter, they don't have to send a cut-off man to your house anymore. The new meter is connected to the office, so the minute the light bill not paid, a touch of the computer and your light is done.
Yeah, but everybody still not go up on that grid there as all them expect. So you still have to have
everybody on it now, man. Them island, they do the island-wide thing where they jump over. I wasn't even in Jamaica. When they said them GPS, man, they jump over the wall and change my meter.
That a year, yeah, but me I tell you say enough yard me no, the meter still not change.
Let's have the old meter.
System.
And you buy $10,000 worth, you don't know how far that might last you. But
yes.
It is the people with sense and listen to that speech, so they realize he has done nothing for you as poor person. Nothing no done for you.
You know hear what the woman saying at the craft market? Donna sentence. The woman a bunny mouth. The woman say, Prime Minister, that talk the way you come with it. Where you go say you go pay for 9 months rent for me. Me no want that. Me can't do that. Me can't do that myself. Me want you to set a better way for the... What go on, man? KFC internet.
I'm okay. Cause she's at work or something.
The person will come up a while ago, man.
That day you would know nothing. I don't know who make him come back and know nothing.
No, man, sometimes you have to give people advice, man.
Yeah, but if you don't give them advice and counteract them and teach them, they're not going to learn, you know?
Yeah.
No. My point was, I let him up already and him come back down and somebody must let him up again.
I mean, send the request to you now, Jeffers. I mean, send the request to you now, because he might comment him a call Dino, him a call Dino. So like him a try to add him.
No, what I do is I follow as him a look. When I see them do that, like him follow Dino and Dino follow him back. At that.
Oh! And that in the pan.
Yeah.
You might grab Dina.
Yeah.
We are so quiet soon. Remember, say we know nothing about politics in them. A man I know so when Mr. To a listen to so Mr. listen, they don't go time we talking now in a night time. We come up we have all a night time.
Every day not gonna be the same, girl. You have to have some teaching time. So when you see Dino, them and Dr. Cole,
no, that's how you say KGB, we are listening, you know. We are listening, so that means if we when we go on any other line, we can say yes to learn something off of this today. Yeah.
We can't let out us know.
I listen to them, so them know, I know, so I not go talk what I don't know, you understand? So
we go around some great minds, man, like how you see Dino, them have some history. We go around some great minds.
They're taking us from some really dark days, you know. Nobody for the dark days. The 70s was a real big revolution in Jamaica where a lot of person learn to read and a lot of person gets educated, a lot of black people get professional.
Hold on there. Dino, we don't cut to them. Our Frost, what I know, our KGB, our Bobby King, our Sue, our Money, what I want to tell me. I went the two murderers them I got caught.
Which two
murderer?
We murder 3 youth out of Winward, the two murderer them.
All police them?
No, I'm a police murderer. Them
a police man.
Because them a police murderer.
Them a ban the government suit at the time.
Yeah, they charge them, they're supposed to go court very soon.
You don't know if them are go to prison.
But what I know, what me want to know? Why make the sense go a court when the government never pass a law where say anybody will murder anybody them not get bail?
Yeah, but the thing is, remember, say the security minister they make a talk, say truth, whatever I want to say, So it's a thing where it all go through all heap of thing, man.
Yeah, man, only the court can grant him bail.
Yeah.
But at that I want to know how them are going to grant them bail if even if them are going to get bail
how that possible when them
Remember say man
pass
them
them
can go
out?
for them.
Them attorney has the right to apply to bail.
Remember say them can go for them lawyer, you know. And who have the best lawyer win, you know.
Yeah, but the attorney has the right to apply for bail. He no must get it, you know. The judge
Yeah, him no must get it.
discretion. The judge decides so you are not a threat to
Yeah,
society.
it's a discretion to the
You're
judge.
not a threat to the evidence, then they can grant your bail. If the judge
So
feels that
that
you
means
can be a threat, you
so that
remain in
means
the
that the
cell.
law they will pass. The law they will pass are just a poor man pitney them.
Yeah.
The policeman, a poor man pitney, but only got him act out of the law.
No, but
Yeah.
he work for the government, so the government liable for back him.
So which rich man pitney a police?
Government not back up on that, you know, boss.
Oh, you mean so me not see government back work?
Tell me which rich man pitney
When
a police?
a policeman get government backing if the government have no proof, but all this the CT camera show that that was direct murder, you know.
But Oriya Strong never said them for just go to and murder people pitney. And then
Yeah,
just
but to all them do it. To all them do it. That's why I say it go through a whole heap of thing.
But we want to know, so like how him, so like how him give them the order for go murder people pitney and them catch them police up on camera and murder people pitney.
Them smart and you know.
Them smart
Put it to me to too dark for your charge. Them man,
They're smart enough. All them have to do is go to court the first day and plead guilty. And they might get a 15 or 16 years of prison.
Them man they not gonna plead guilty because the footage don't show nothing to it. It shows some things, you know. But you can't, especially the man them face, you not see no face. Them can't
the one will get shot in a film put.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah, him. Well, I don't know how that.
The CT camera showed that. So the CT camera said there was no shootout at all. A murder, they gotta go murder you. They took a look at youth. Until I said I'm a shootout.
Yeah, but do you know, one of them get shot, you know.
And them shoot themselves, man.
Yeah, like if you watch a video good, you can see two of them either him get graze or him get a shot. You can see when the policeman come wrap up him foot with it.
Them do that as a trick, but they put two very innocent.
Whole heap of thing can happen. Cause we just see and a hear where them put in the public, you know, but when it go court and the court, whatever.
If it got trial, it's a different situation.
Yeah.
But if they are smart and want a small sentence, just go plead guilty.
Yeah.
Last policeman, Mr. Dada, 16 years in it. Just got it.
I can't say guilty with the explanation because them are going to hear him explanation.
Once you say guilty, the judge will take place. Once you tell the judge, you know, you're guilty, that means say, but they will listen to your explanation why you commit the crime. That means
yes, they say something will happen to me already, man. And I tell them what happen.
Yeah.
And them listen the fine.
That's all I'm going to do.
Yeah. No, it was not a sentence thing. It was not a sentence.
It was a civil matter.
But what the wicked man, what the explanation them police could have to tell the judge?
You have to understand, you know, the police.
Listen up, but let's do the video. The video, if them have good liar, G. The video not show none clear. The video fucked up. So if them have good lawyer, them can blame that video for saying.
Nah, man, them have technician that can clear up that video.
Well, them have to clear it up because me I tell you, that video they will mean see. As much as
them have technician that can clear up.
Clearly, you know see who really shot the police if him shot himself or where shot come from.
That's why me I tell you say. Yeah, whole heap it a go through whole heap thing. Cause you see when you look through the video and Ray and then member say me you know the pan the scene, you know. I hear say we are listen to and the video not clear. Right?
Yeah, me I tell you so them can get to cause in the video there and enough evidence to charge
the police don't must get the clear scene place on the scene. You cannot go somewhere go get a little
that again to the you know. So that's why me I say
man, in the video you see when him up, man.
No, as we do, you know, say me and you don't know, because you have to, remember say video not clear, you know.
Yeah, let me say.
And everything happen fast, you know.
Man, what they talk and
clear, brother, and kill him man, Brian. Sorry for that already. Man, them take out the man.
Too little youth.
take out the man
Clear,
them blood
it's clear
and
enough.
draw them
It's
guy
clear, but you can't see no face.
clear, brother. No shoot out, no go on there, so, brother. Why you feel
We
like
never say shoot out, go on, brother. Listen.
The time when the police
We are talking about the video. We never said. We know say them unalive him and them.
after we see the video because them
We
done
know-
like everything, so them are show the public them now what happened, so the public them can talk out about you and
Who show the public that video there?
not one of them people place.
Okay, so if not the police, them show the
So
public.
that means that the one of them done there and see everything what happened. Them done
Yeah, but you now get when me I say charge because you feel like you support the police.
We send home the police them to go to jail from the public to prove say yes them guilty because them would send out the video if the police them not guilty.
Brother, you don't understand court thing.
Bro, them the police they prove guilty, then Jolly man them go right.
Yeah, we know that, but when it go to what
They take them up front line duty first, but the DP, know that we be submitted to the DPP, the DPP rules them to be charged and charged to murder.
Evidence, bro. If that happen in America, then go to prison. A child.
Yeah, that's America.
So you mean that America? That's why we want Jamaica to change and want better. We want better for our country, bro.
We want change, but you're not listen charge.
The DPP as well made a ruling. She said they must be charged of murder.
Yeah, that is it. And send them for child right away.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that because the video did it clearly showing that
They get enough evidence to turn out to the DPP.
Them a jar them got the police van door after they kill them. Jar the tree.
If it was left up to the police alone, you know, they could have covered it. But you must remember the police have a
Remember say them get away with it, you know. Police get away with it, you know. You tell me say so close and the police them them would stand up to make the police them come hold on for them, bro.
Yo, them get to it. If the bank never let out the blood, nah, tape them get to it with it, bro. G.
Yeah, and that's why they let out the tape. Because if they never let out
the bank never let out the tape, them get to it with it.
That is it. That is it.
Any the bank never let out the tape, the whole of wood are just there as a January. Three of them, the man.
You can't say that neither. You can't say that neither. Might be the police.
That say you them do it up. That's what would happen.
Yeah, but you say
the police them can't get the video to you know.
After they analyze the youth, them plan gun for the youth, them say I shoot out, you know.
Yeah.
And the camera pick up all that my plan.
Them jive in. Them have the youth them lie down at the door at the van door already. When the next two jeep are jive in. Them have the youth them lie down already. Jar the youth them from where the crime scene there. Move up the whole crime scene already. Ship up the crime scene. What kind of style that? If I shoot out, where you have to touch them for? Eh? Yeah, ship up the crime scene and put the youth them all you want to put them.
There's two police that just trigger happy. Trigger. Don't come out and kill some.
Yes, man. They have the youth them under cover. Even if they have gun, even if the youth them did have gun,
the Prime Minister say anything about that
they cover them already. Because if you get to kill them, that means that you have them under control.
Indeed, no? The Prime Minister and the Security Minister say anything about that crime?
Nothing at all.
What them are gonna say when them send the police them go there to kill the people? Remember the Prime Minister and the Security Minister send them out there to do the murder, you know. So what them are gonna say? Say them sorry?
Why me say so, you know? Why me say so, you know, in the dark? The 5 man were unalive on a wall.
I woulda want, brother, me say me woulda want.
Them go block off road yesterday. Listen me now. Them block off road yesterday round a wall time. Cause them unalive 5 man round a wall time. And the next day the Prime Minister and the Security Minister round there. But when me a observe and a pray and a investigate, the man them unalive round there, I feel people them.
Not only that, but it's international news. You know, when TV didn't even, somebody send it to me from abroad in the night, and I'm so good to text me in the night. I'm look, as somebody just said me they shooting our time in the night. You know.
You know when me hear from
international news to the Prime Minister had to come out.
You know when me hear it from Dina? A Jaden live me depan and me looking at the comment section. And me I say, so much people can't tell lie.
So what them say happen around there? What happen around
If
there?
man analyze.
By who?
Me can't tell you that.
We don't know who them. Man, they'll come out open M16 and shoot up everybody who play them, you know.
Yeah.
No, what do you mean if a police are man and
ball them get to, you know.
Godman, man, no police. A Godman shoot, Godman, analyze them.
oh.
Yeah, man, a head ball them get. You can't say him and them walk up to them close.
Which part that happen?
What time,
Oh, no, 77 there, sir.
Near to 77.
Yeah, but just say 77.
Right across from the parts place. Joe, what your name? Joe, we sell both motor vehicle parts.
Joe, man.
Joe, eh?
Yeah. Right a Pink Paradise there, sir.
Right. You see, it reach an age now that me tell people say, gone are the days used to come in from work and enjoy like a social life. Please sit down and play like a domino. It happen too often now. People sit down and play domino and government just don't kill everybody that play domino. Too often.
But everybody black run the same. And everybody black run the same.
You better you got your yard and you left work. Got your yard. The days I sit on the roadside, we have a little social with some friends over.
My community friends still, you know.
You know. And then if you had one person and how much person they get caught up in it. They come to one person.
Once reach the hands of the fool who just, for no reason, they just analyze, you know. Just feel like doing a shootout and gone again. Look what happens Sunday evening. If people are out in downtown, no people gonna get injured, you know. These guys get the JLP conference, go downtown and just one man just pop up and say, show up, go.
Two of them me here. Two of them.
And by the time you start, new people are pop up and a bus shot like trouble.
And you know, say they know. You know, say when me hear that, me I say, you know, say a problem them boys there, look. Why around other side they them have to fire them?
Want to start something?
Sorry man, them never bought them and murder them bomb buckler.
Why them never fire them from around a field?
Instruction then get to, because they will all pay them attack like divide with.
Remember say fi run the sign of them zone in and just pass through them a pass through, you know.
So my test is I'm shot first.
Yeah, instruction then get.
So might be something go on where me and you don't know. Where some signal man, cause sometimes I can some signal, you know.
Man, I'm not trying to remember 1918. I'm just saying, I gotta start them shit in 1918 and people start shooting up and go like
that. I tell everybody from long time say this year.
Then Dino.
Come up, you know. Yeah, gonna be one normal ball game, you know.
Dino. No, you would play the big nose one.
No, see, I got training, man.
So then look on it. Now the same thing where Siaga do in night time. That's right in the big pincer.
You know,
the same thing him and do now.
Do everything where Siaga do.
All right.
First of all, he got the other man first. The Siaga is to go for Capo. But even at the conference, obviously, I hope your man give the prayer, you know. One Zion Church. So them
next man they beat up the whole man.
You know say me see something there, you know.
I really hope Jamaica can really try back the 1980 at all.
Everything. Me no want it, but remember in a deal.
But it can't work, bro.
You don't want it, but we have to pray far.
I would glad say all that we are opening up with eyes. That I greatest, bro. Jamaica not opening up them eyes right now to future, brother, a modernized country. So we are not fool, bro. We know what a modernized country is supposed to look like. I will know how far a modernized country is supposed to be modernized, bro. And this man a move, this man a move like a one little, what you call them thing there, we crawl slow.
The little bug sitting with me on the ground. So that man I move brother with the country, bro. And I can tell we be a fool in this in a
Good morning, I just open that back to Anthony.
Yes, me. Yes, so we want a better future, brother. We want we think we move faster and not so slow as all them MP here where you see. Come up and
when me love us sweet here,
you know, she said them the MP there from way back, you know. All of them we have on the meeting at the head. Man, them will come up with the meeting, look like, you know, see a bugging about there, you know. See a bugging and you know, realize that, you know. We want a modernized country and we want that to change and we feel like the PNP in a better position right now.
Me here say the youth step cross. You know, you know.
Huh?
Me here say the youth step cross.
Anthony.
So the youth step cross?
Yeah, the youth from Donna St. Thomas when he up the walker.
Oh yes man, yeah man, him step cross with PNP.
Him can't take his shame.
More left to, you know, and him one, more left.
But you know, KGB, tell you the truth. If you have to left, you know, when you have to left, it's when time the local government could go on what there. If like how they never cut down it, they never the back him that much. And when I get to understand, they never did like him too much in the Labour Right Party. So, me move up too. If it was me, me move up.
I same thing, Cash. I'm so chillin', you know. But my guy was a strong JLP, you know.
Pat more.
All the shall mash up Pat more, you know, and take a seat from him and you run independent and win and come back and say, this time I run a PNP, me run fair, you know.
How you feel, Sha, I go game seed? You feel like part of
you get to my guy, no man. It's all the shall hand over the whole last Sunday when the same West Portland considering hand over to a guy the name, which his father was a councillor. I'm the guy that get him, man. That's why
people them come from Upper Creek. Upper Creek.
Family them.
That's another thing because in the blood, but in the JLP, you notice none of them went to Arlisha conference. Most of them gone over Portland and none of them not support Arlisha conference.
So why you support them or they feed them rally Sunday dog?
No, but it's a major conference, it's an annual conference. All of them have to be at the annual conference.
Yeah, if I be like him, was me and step aside, I tell them got suck the whole land got suck no matter.
That's him for do yes. Banana style. Banana style in the dance.
This conference was poorly attended, you know. That team support.
We can't do too much him and the next one.
Departure. You want me tell you what the man them do for make the crowd look big? Yeah?
You can't look big when you see so much empty seat in the arena.
No, me I say, you see outside, up them draw up the barricade them, you know. If you look, you know. The barricade them.
You must remember several person I show live, you know, so them, while them show you on big crowd, other person shows you up empty space.
When Andrew attack in our house, brother, and he did the attack all type of crap. In the one little crowd come in with him, you know, and when he did the attack all type of crap, the little crowd does start jip out.
The people them know what hear what them say, a gamble. And people are throw a ball in a crate.
Done. The man cut the meat now and done because people them are chip out for him. People them tired to hear what I say. What I say now make no sense to people them.
Them are throw a ball in a crate.
Then come because they get money to come. And then I hear what them.
When you see green, you know, green look, yeah, the color green, I go show bright and I most color, you know. So when you see a poor banana tree, you think of 50 banana trees there.
95% of people them will go there around. Let me tell you the truth. None of them they want here.
Anthony, I draw the man them draw the barricade.
I call them the one to call election. Let's say if the man they call election, might be crowded and real up team. But you know, call no election, brother, I'm wait for more time for cheap Jamaican, bro.
So I must say him not a style for what I know. Him a draw
the conference.
Dog, watch the minister come up. Here when I'm minister when he come up. Oh, bro, God not gonna call election. He gonna call election.
Don't tell you that, you know, Anthony. Confusing that him is the whole conference. And he's saying, be stupid, we call an election, no.
Me say him fi call it, cause him a go dry it out and him a go embarrass himself
But
more.
he's hoping to score from those announcements on Sunday, you know.
That tell us that him a dry you out and a heck, him a do the same thing what you just say, bro.
No, you can have an annual conference.
Just the same thing what you say, bro.
Just make it Christmas pass and call it early. Nobody wait for September.
How the hell you can have an
Nobody wait
annual?
for September.
People them did a wait back, and that team little people them go fire up. And him not realize that, you know.
September back to school. September back to school.
But that keep him bad again. Right now we only left him to make the people them start cussing. Cause he only give people them plan when I make no sense, brother.
Him no style. I call him for call it. Him only embarrass himself more when him wait for September. Just make Christmas pass. Just make Christmas pass. September back to school.
He's hoping that this announcement will get to the mind a lot of people who feel like they have a cut. This I got whatever me OJ place I can write down. I'm OJ and water commission I write down. It's that whole business. As another poll will be done by then and show that this car team has strength. As the Cliff say the poll him Cliff will show. Say the JLPs are gone and they're gonna lose.
But listen up. How do you look at annual conference? For me, I watch conference for over the years and you have annual conference.
I be an empty bus, me see a pass.
The finance minister and the security minister always talk. You understand? And the prime minister is a must that the finance minister and the security minister. Uncle minister me here talk across agriculture when I'm here say not about agriculture. So I call him like a circus and a conference.
The man them a sell dreams, Anthony. If you want dreams to buy, you go over JLP.
If you watch the people them facing a conference, bro, you can realize totally say, yo, the people them not sad. If you see camera, the people them
brother them leave now show up place.
normally you don't hear and upload on the whole conference. Bro,
leave that show up.
I just the little people them on the stage where the back of man are ring a little bell. Yeah, bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Show upstairs.
They don't make no money.
I tell you, bro, nothing not go on, the man not talk, nothing will make sense, bro. And Jamaican people see that clearly, bro. Broad in the eye. We are not fool, dog. The man not a plan to we make we be a modernized country, bro. First, the man that would have come up and say, yo, me have this big modernized plan to turn Jamaica and this and show we plan. The man not even have that and I'm my leading government right now.
Brother, the man been selling Jamaica dreams. The man say we can left the door open. The man come and show Mama P one basket. Me want see fi him basket now. Cause him come show Mama P one basket and say, brother for this and this. So
you know, one sitting the man say, when me know say if me been in here side of him, I want rap box.
Now Mama P time, you know, bro. A brother for 180, you know, and check one bread now, almost $600 for one bread, you know.
No, listen, you know.
Just say, you know, bro, it's a licking chip in the head, you know, cause in a Mama P time, I want 180 bread. And when him take power, you know, the bread cheaply, you know, bro. COVID alone, the man use and cheap up everything in our country, you know, bro. COVID alone, you know, cheap up everything in our country, you know, bro. Everything, brother, everything gone sky high for the man come up with COVID, for the man them come up.
But KGB, the man say sitting Sunday, I mean, no say if me decide that him as a labor right, me that him a box for years as the man say. This term is for the people term. This a 5 year where he want now. So
Bobby say it long time too.
So when in a year term I do.
Just the Anthony. The Anthony.
Same old story man.
The film term, the 2 term. So them take 2 and go no 1.
I come back with the same old story again. I go tell we say this term of the people them. So it 2 term where you get a thief and your friend them then.
No, those are their terms. The first 2 terms were for them to enrich themselves. Those your term.
I one thing 3 times a dead. I will not give me 3 times to kill we have. Come on go.
The man said it took the first 2 terms for them to enrich themselves. Now it's your turn.
Yeah, that the man said this term I feel people are food term.
Now go enrich uno now.
You never see nothing stupid so yet. You might not even at night almost 10 years the man are going there for.
Yeah.
The man said no business with parties, him a legacy man.
But take 10 and give you 5.
Yeah,
And he might get the 5 worst one, you know.
You understand?
Then he get the 2016 and the economy a boom.
Because the economy not grow, everything stagnant, and him not go on stage and talk about them they sitting there.
So them are right now, you know. So then take the two best term. The one when nothing on them I give you. Me learn say if you multiply 0 by 1,000,000 times 0, see.
Make it look like him do something. Odds in trust where Michael Manley will hit up every day and show poor people say I give out. Michael Manley them come up with them great. And then he have a highway project now when get up every day with a come show we like that. And a PGI first man will come in at Jamaica and share with them.
No, but the highways, them accomplish some work.
We have no plan to it, brother. No good plan this man. Have no see man. No plan, brother. No plan. We put out and one stop at about road, brother. Road alone can't do it. First thing man dollar up is
you have to understand the road program, you know. When PG develop, hold on, give me a minute.
We get 14 parishes connect together. A different thing, Jamaica with modern.
Learn what PG was doing. When PG came up with the road program, what was the purpose of when PG came up with the idea of a road project, what was the purpose PG telling him inputting in these road projects?
Connected. That was PG idea. When it
to make what? In order to boost production, time is important. So you cannot take 4 hours to man to go.
14 parish, you know. Or you connect 14 parish and everything, you know.
45 minutes from one side to the other. The connections. The idea was these connections that you can take 45 minutes and move goods from one side to the other. So you must be more productive. Now, where the blunder took place was when people came to power. The were still, but they were moving at a very slow pace because Peter Police was advising her not to move so fast. Now, one person stepped down.
And the Porsche 4 year or 5 year, where they would have said Porsche move the country faster than Andrew move the country faster.
Yes, but the road work was slowed down. The road network got slowed down. You must remember now, when Andrew come to power and start do several of the road project one time, people ball out say, why you tackling so much one time? And him a laugh, we don't have it in the pipeline, but we are hoping the pipeline. But Peter's idea was to move at a slower pace. I don't see the reason for moving. The money was there. You got the money from China already to get this work done. So you should have just move ahead with the project. I guess Peter has a plan.
As Jamaica, that slower pace that they come like it go faster than how Andrew move now. Because what you say, Andrew do everything one time and he make everything look slow. So it's so
you must remember that everything one time and it's not done properly. You're trying to do everything one time and done properly. The time you go back over the St. Thomas Road, you'd have gone to another road early, you know. But the St. Thomas Road not good, you know, so they might have to you back over.
But as far as me say, every road in Jamaica want fix. I mean, no say them can't fix every road in Jamaica.
The carpet your lady and put down a couple of days ago, so she put carpet for the people and man. One little shower rain and the carpet gone like I don't know what.
No, but he didn't build the carpet to drive down.
A rubber, that's a carpet, that's a rubber.
No, he build the carpet to go lay down and open up and...
He gone, he mash up. Some part there bubble up like when you put on pot on fire. I don't know where the food will come from, put in there. Some part there dig up, gone completely, wash it.
Man told me to check here
these people just need to come down now and we just need to get them down. That is what we need to ask the Jamaican people. Carry down them people here. Put them out. Do what's right, Jamaican. We have a better future. Yeah, make we try with the next side. 2 terms is good for a man too. And if Marky G come in there, we love him and we are going to love the party right through. But a 2 term we want to give him a find the next leader to lead with true. And not stuck we up in a no stuck up thing. I want to modernize Jamaica. We want to move Jamaica forward. And we feel like if we move up the leader them more faster, give them 2 terms and move them up, the country will modernize more faster. And I think a party we can hold a country more firm and so. Yeah. Because he can more because he put a next leader where we lead the country better than how
The man said Jeremy, the man said within the first 100 years, I'm going to put in the work that one. We have term limits for the prime minister.
Oh,
And I know him a concept. At least one. I beg you one term.
greedy, like they can pan in there and robbery and take through and just put in a pocket and rich himself. No, brother. We can't work with that, bro. That a bit tough.
And him see a man come with term limit. I know him a beg one more term. If this a term of we don't want him give it. We take it.
No, make we give who we want to give. We don't want to give we. We are give who we want to give. Can't feel like I'm going to give it third term. And we are give them who we want to give. We don't that that's about him and give it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, but this a few we. We know what in term. Make we give who we want to give, yes.
We are modernized. We are not fool again, man. Anyone take with the fool knife fast and do a type of thing we do. We modernize that now, bro. So we have to move them up. When they're not on the right, we have to move you. We don't want to stuck here again and mash up the country. We want the country to move forward and better.
But what me want to look one come out and say Andrew Holness be mashed down. All of the new rubbish truck them went by mash down the road, all of the infrastructure them if we mash them down and give back PNP country.
That's how PNP have these people. PNP have them so weak that them talk some things will not even make no sense. Even down to the MP them are do it on stage. Even the MP them they in a party, in a Liberal Party, I do them things. Them talk some things will not make no sense. The way PNP have them a beat them body. One of them come out now, say them a do work, them a try to prove to you, say them a do work. I show some little something from corner and I put on some little something from corner like we have done. Like they want to take Jamaican people to do big old song. I come put on things a corner when election a come now. Why they never do that right to 9th year wanna have? Why they never come and put on things and do wanna do right to 9th year wanna have? You don't want to come do it. No, I put on things that corner. All the one we come from so Chilani when you're Durham. You come out him and put on pipe and show people them. After how much years he left the people them. Him come and put on pipe and
and the people want nothing for me and I roast cow they want.
No, they want better. Me I tell you, I don't see chick man. You see, they have a style, you know. They jump the people them, and when the people them jump when them go vote, you know, they will make mistake, you know. And that's a them style. They give people them fear rum to go drink when them go vote the day when them go vote down there. And some know it got and junk off the people them. And take the people them to idiot. But that's how when they always do it. Them a try to take the people them to idiot. And just wise the people them to wise up. God, them a try to take the people them to idiot down there. And them a do it. And they know that they can do it because they know that Scotland people them kind of slow back. So for them, you see through them, the modernized Scotland people them leave Scotland, you know. They are foreign and they are out, you know. The one them with slow now, them dead down there, them always a vote to the party, then I put them back over. No modernized now go on, you know. All the years they down there. This woman saying 17 years down there. And me can't see when do down there for sure. Down there 17 years got a good work. No one down there for sure.
And if you
as you say, I must say, I only good work in cash, a big cow where road. And that I only good that I only work when I see a show PR for TikTok all over. You're right, I big cow. That is the only work when I see a show PR. Nothing more than show. Nothing.
Then I even know if it's so in my area. It was so people.
Why?
Say when Mark Golden take over the leadership,
Bobby Montague say we must protect this man at all costs. Cause this man is gonna make we in a government for a long time. I know. Marky G a spin like a gig to bless.
Right now we make him have to take helicopter. That's what we say. We foolish, what we want foolish.
Marky G have him a walk through hills and valley where he never do it.
On the campus.
9 years when in a power. He never walk through hills and valley yet, and Marky G have been through hills and valley right now.
Don't blame this. Can't blame if you change your name.
About them a work. Don't want to come out of them now about them a come out. Where them a come out with me tell that people. No one make no sense for them a come out.
You can't go look and spell him one name and then talk about people foolish. Look at him.
Hey Leonie Campbell, you have my mother name, you know.
But you
so you pick up on you. I have my mother big delegation of PNP party.
Look at him. They call people foolish.
Me, go on your money Roscoe, man. You know foolish.
And a fight, so if you are in the fight with one another, you don't do all sorts of things.
There's some mad people who see up a conference separate. You want to see?
One sent me come say, $5,000 and a box food in give them, you know.
Exactly.
$5,000 and a box food.
So man, sent to the
them about their food because they love their food, love them and their food. If you find something else good, tell them. God, that's good to them. Yes, they love their food, and then we put with us food alone. Just one plate of food and then we give you eggs. That makes sense. That makes sense. These people don't understand that sometimes I have to wonder about some mad people, like the people them with the panda party, they like them crazy like them. Sometimes I have to wonder. If they can get up your money at people.
You have to understand the JLP when they come to power, always dismantle education, health. The reason for this man, if you keep a man in the dark, you can lead him with him trade, you know.
That's true.
So that's what the JLP do, keep them dark and dunce and then lead them to foolishness at all time.
And tell them foolishness.
Really and truly, you know, no part of the people who see the conference, you know, I wonder if they got a hospital at Jamaica. Yeah.
No. I see two women catch a fight after conference. All that going to fight hotel, and them probably in the hospital. Money, them a fight over, you know, money.
Yo, him now go on the bus and let him get free money. If he come out money. Yeah, and a big argument. He must can't without they get free money.
But me not understanding the people coming out of the constituency and get fight for
that really Jamaican youth them really around them. Man, them around them go and bust with money in them time.
People come out of Edmund constituency get $5,000 each, and them that come out of St. Thomas get $2,500. Me not understand that St. Thomas drop so low. The people are bought from St. Thomas at $2,500 and see if they ain't you know.
Then that's why when they reach, you know, and then the money done, you know, they have no vibes, but when they want to move back to that.
No man, you can't buy nothing outside that.
Never go. Then only see amount of money, you know, where the government take to run the conference, you know. At 18 million the government take to run the conference, you know, and where they? Because most of them people they were gonna get $1 million. None of them are get.
No, you're crazy. 5 to the highest in the ballot, that's $5,000.
Yeah. So me not understand them. They make a man run a conference $80 million and where to go. Just come like a waste of money. And first thing they come up, they not tell me nothing good. You know no good choice. All I plan them way have shape. None of them not really make no sense. None of them not stand firm. All of them weak. All of them we talk about some weak plan. Plans will not make no sense. They not gonna last. Them just about to stay a while and then gone. Where that makes sense? You tell me how that about be as Jamaican.
Then German. Then if you are in a company German and you have 10 sons, you have 10 sons where you send go to college and they sitting there and you run your company. And not even one of them you put in a one local ministerial position to say, yeah, if you know there, so go and run things or whatever. Everything I you have to do it.
Don't trust nobody.
Yeah, that means you don't trust your pitney them. You're not confident in your pitney them.
Don't trust
God, you
nobody.
can have about 17 ministry in a film office and a 49 of them.
You can't trust nobody.
He did have one trust the little Mela. One telling that one when trust, but guess what happened to him? Oh God, the one they gone left him. IMF take him away. IMF is something in him and take him away back. Only that one there alone could have helped him. Right now, the one they left a butter, them a go butter. You know, see when the one they come back to the days, them a come back in, he feel like he have the cup. When the other one come back on the spend for the year, he feel like he have the cup, why not? As the one left and gone again to IMF straight over now in disappear now. A butter them a butter like a fish in the water when water.
Then they use the big screen.
And that the man they was the brain film. And that the man they gone left in a brain box right now.
Then they use the big screen and kind of clean up your car, making you article.
And that the man they stand up film. Any you watch it out of parliament, no who are going in there, that the man they stand up film and I make big shot. Yes, the things that the man they gone, them are butter like a me can tell you that. Remember me tell you that. And that the man they that save them. And then
yeah, but they're not respecting like that. They have much a big screen, you could have connected on the big screen abroad, I'm making you one little statement from abroad, you know.
No, but statement from abroad, you can't sell out Jamaican people and then one contact you. You think you can go foreign and come and talk to you out there. You don't know
them say that them announce it. Them have done announce it, said it's gonna be a great step for them as well.
But if nobody had that some boy where they are foreign feel like they can't see a foreign and send face that come and come to the country. Yeah, they compatible and want to destroy Jamaica while they are that type problem. Yeah, with them. Then the rule they not work in a full country. So them can't give in a team. And we work in that. Here we are work now and go and pay attention to it. Let's pay attention to the country where we want to move forward. So him, he can't talk again. IMF buy him out. And it's a reason why IMF buy him out, and it's a big reason why IMF buy him out. IMF is something that keeps why. Where then system might be that to make a forward. Me now go get my Andrew. Me no know. IMF
majority of them buy. You see me? Don't want to say them are what they're not busy about you. Because they don't say what I said to her. Because they will say, hey,
my one so my one mute like that. Don't put it there.
To address the JP show, that's how I roll on people.
Yeah man, time come down man. Them big plans on, you know, them big mission. Yeah, gone to IMF. Man when they come and I start playing the house of parliament and feel like they are forward. They gone to IMF, so I start Uno. Yeah. You know, gone to that. I might into it and to that's why I the party. Because I want that woman to have a country and lead. Man lead a country, lead the country. And you want to go to IMF. Something right now party, brother.
But if I get more, well, Jermaine, he might make more money at Jamaica than where they might pay my IMF, you know.
Then a country are running on my father. You have to make more money, you know. Every plan to run the country and make money. You have every contract that you're heading on. Remember, say, yeah, business sector in Jamaica, you know. So you know every plan to make all like millions and billions out of Jamaica, you know. And you make IMF take away from that. There is something you can't go. IMF go wrap the money you have got IMF straight. There's something go on. Because in a Jamaica, I couldn't get the chance to reach myself. So I fuck make a play for this is all good again. Now what I'm man we don't want to get interested. And this American Prime Minister to say just decided to want me to leave party. Nah, them all bring me down in Ireland. I'm not depend that. So my me feel like a that. Make leave them. Because it's rich men way. government are enrichment instead. We have put all our Jamaica money in a field pocket. Yeah. I run field business guy. Come like a time when I take to go visit all of them people across the world, you know. All of them leaders here when God go visit. You don't come like this man go visit these leaders to make business more feed family and feed self, you know. You know, come like a man go to go make business with Jamaica people. Come not see nothing going to we all in go talk to these leaders when we see him go talk to. All it man for India when we see him go talk to. Me not see when you go talk to that man there for. When you talk to that man for. We don't like to do that. Cause me not see plan. Me not see no reason when you go talk to man like man and make to make a modernize. I don't see it. So all of these things when you become like a woman mind. You just come like him and just sit up a weird Jamaica time and just go look business to him and his family and his friend then. A man now look about Jamaica business. A man now business about two business. The business of Jamaica, a man not fear about it. A man just allow a country to go down in our hole while him and get rich. Him and his family. That can't member that can't work and we are cheating.
Jeremy, you never hear Andrew attack it. When Andrew attack, you never talk about Jamaica. Yet, you know, those labor rights no more him talk about, you know. Now, I remember say you have labor rights living in a country, independent living in a country, and PNP living in a country. All him talk about are labor rights.
That's all him do. I tell you say all him right. No, that he not even talk about labor right. When this man go, the bigger picture, this when the man go foreign and go shake hand with the president, then some president when shake hand with you know they trying to make plans to make something modernize. This man don't go out there, go shake no hand with no man and come back with no plan well like it. Yeah, so me I said the plan them when shall come back with we give to Jamaican people to say, oh Jamaican people, this is where we get from this president. Come back here. I come back here with this plan because this president say, yo, I'm going to help you to do this. None of that happen. Me not see none of that happen. None of that. All him a come up with a something called JPS water plan and blah 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 like a take with a big package show. JPS where they Jamaican people money in them pocket. We want more money to pay with bills. That's all we want. We don't care about what they want high. If we have money to pay the bills them, that is what we need. We need so we bills them can pay. That is what we need.
Jeremy, stick up in there.
We carry up nothing. I take off this. We want you make we can have money in our pocket to make it
Jeremy. Hold on, Jeremy. Hold on. Make welcome Marva. Marva come in. Higher.
Good morning.
You know that more.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. This morning, may I tell them me upset. And being me upset is the racism that are going in Jamaica. I mean, think America, England, or other country racism going. You never know, say the right thing for our face. And you say, who are do the racism? Them not look for Matthew Samuda. More to know when Matthew Samuda go back to England. One mean time better put him on the boat first and make him lead the way, you know. Because this man in me upset. Because me never know some people could have be so vicious. Me not even know. I have
we got Darrell Ball. No, we got Darrell Ball. Because Darrell Ball is a white man. Darrell Ball is not black.
They who are at them. Then just deceive. What me tell you? Jamaican people underneath to open their eye.
They want PNP to get in that racism, you know. Sister, don't get in that racism with them, you know. Keep on the racism, you know, because we're not in it with them. They can't go and talk what they want to talk. Yeah, we are modernized Jamaica, white or black, blue or yellow, red or pink. We are modernized, we are modernized.
What them fi do? Notice when we there find me live in a Florida. Me know how racism is stay here, and how me feel when people racism. Me much less. them not look on it. Me never see them do Siago so. Me not see them do Matthew Samuda so. Matthew Samuda talk about time mouth same banner England. Why him can be him are the first one to left. Him are the first one to left. This man in
Yeah, me I say, nobody not leave. Hello. Nobody must not leave. The whole of them must stay because of that. Them want you to say so we can say Marky G to leave. Nobody not to leave.
But
one love out of many one people.
We are talking about
out of many one people. You are gonna have many color people in Jamaica because we are out of many one people. That is our nation. That make we a great nation. That make we stand up on the front line of fighting for freedom.
That's true, and that goes for the people them, the people's national party, and who have sense. The Jamaica Labour Party.
We not fight against nobody when for them parties still, but them a show people as you say, like how them a show people, them looking at for them side. But anyway, we don't want to talk about for them side, cause we don't want to look racism neither.
We not be racism.
Far from that. We want to get back that them a jar we in them a jar you in the racism reason. You can say, oh, Matthew Samuda this, oh, this, that. We not care what them want to say about no racism, nothing, nobody about none of them. We are say Marky G are going to power. Marky G are going to lead Jamaica out of struggle, and we believe so. Cause Film Vision right now with the set of people them will have run him, it look better than who Andrew Holness have run him. So
every time Labour right win, they mash up the country and the PNP have to come back and build it. Every time, and every time they win, it get worse and worse, worse and worse. Me here to for now, I'll let somebody else start.
Go ahead, Starboy. What you saying? Starboy. Come out.
All right, welcome April.
Right.
Thank you, my youth.
Starboy, Mike. I come like Starboy at work right now. You not ready for that? The other people down there, Starboy and I say no, I don't know what.
The Wi-Fi give you a problem. See, you will the red line them there, so. Look like in Ghana, Fort Pen, Ghana.
Jamaican wise people, we are begging for you open up on our eyes. Not make this man chick we again for a third time. You take 2 chances already, which is enough. If you're not looking at any modernized country, 2 chances is enough. 2 chances is enough. Yeah. If you look at England, they don't have long in the neither. And so, we want the thing to run. Yeah. We want to move them up because we have to modernize Jamaica. And we say if PNP come in at power tomorrow morning, we ask Marky G to set the rule we have 2 terms to a man. 2 terms so they can get the enrichment themselves off of Jamaica. That is what we want. Yeah. Modernize Jamaica. Yeah, that's what we are going to fight for with people. And Marky G said that plan to we, and we need that plan to put in place. Yeah.
Now, I understand. I'm saying why this man, when they push for the reform, with Jamaica be up. I guess the any of Marky G the paper they and just sign if we turn over to Republican. We'll get. But look how much moderator did there now, all now sitting there, man. So you see now we can know why they want to push for the country be Republican. Them push for it, go and then push for it come because they know say anyhow we wouldn't know what they go on, we wouldn't just see everything cause all of the deals them want to stand, and just when you wait for him be Republican to put them in place, You just feel to that.
Yeah, if we take over our country, and you see a royal family man want in our family, and you see man put his woman in our house already.
Yep.
The man want to take over a house for himself and his whole family. Me not tell you say the man want to take Jamaica for himself, like a king he want turn in a Jamaica. And that they sitting there man and bring down power we like we are idiot. We not depend that, we not depend on a man to rule over we so and control we so. No, we not depend that with you. It can't work. Cause we see where you are fight for. We not fight for that where you are fight for. We are fight for better. We want better for the people of Jamaica. The people of Jamaica, not one family. Not one set of people. The whole nation of Jamaica. Entire nation, global, wide. All who they are foreign to want better so they can all run come back here. Make them can say, yo, me not a foreign. I want come back to Jamaica. Yeah. That I better Jamaica what we want. Yeah. I wanna feel like we can't check with. We see people that come here and them a ball out this road bad and all this bad and all that. The people them don't want to come back here when they see that. No better Jamaica no day.
Right.
And I better Jamaica we want. When they come back here, they say, wow, we don't need to go back a foreign man. We need to stay here so the money where they work over they can invest out here. They don't have to think to go back a foreign go invest it. We don't have no brain plan for Jamaica. Me I tell you, most of the people them come here, them pray to build up all one place because the place raise up fast as how if you raise up. The power now go up there. No power now in a JLP. A PNP have the power. Now we got to give them the strength to make them do what's right. Yeah, we need to give the PNP the strength to make them do what's right. One of the richest man in a Jamaica when enough people don't know. He's just an undercover man. And him play smart. But me know because I study a lot. PJ Pattis is one of the richest man in Jamaica. And if PNP can be in power, we can get that man to spend back some of that money we have for 18 years. We can get him to pump back some of the money in a Jamaica. Because now pump it now because of Andrew in power. So if we not give back PNP a chance, Jamaica to prove the 18 year it makes sense that PJ robbing up Jamaica according to UNO. Labor right. According to UNO, PJ rob up Jamaica. So we want PNP to get back power so we can get back some other money they spend in our country. PJ now spend it for Andrew. Because Andrew not ready. Remember, so if Marky G in there, you go find all of them people there where they spend money in a Jamaica in a PJ time, come back and spend money and build up the country faster. Jamaica did better in a PJ and so I don't know some people come at about 18 years neither. Because in a PJ and food never price never so sky high. Right. Food stuff people could afford things in a PJ time, so I don't know where you talk about. Things never so nice, yes, but people still could afford things. People did have whole heap of affording things so they can afford. Because I remember days when we couldn't buy all one Lasco. Right now, Pitney a ban and then that we can buy Lasco to backside to get Pitney again. And first time Lasco, the amount of Lasco people drinking a PJ time. You don't know Lasco? Lasco dear now.
Yeah.
Dear. Supplement, I want next thing where me drink when me a Pitney a grow like a wow. Drink right now you can't buy a Pitney a supplement. Eh? Uno tell me. Right now supplement price high. First time you drink all 5 supplement a week. You can't drink 5 and now you have to drink 1 or 2. It can't work. Jamaica now modernize. We are go backward. I tell you that me not see no modernize. In our way them say them are modernize. Me not see it. Cause remember when me a Pitney in a PJ time, then time me a baby boy I grow up. Baby boy, so me not really know about vote, but me know say me that get good treatment, better treatment.
Yeah.
More than where my Pitney I get right now. Cause my Pitney not get to drink the type of things when me drink when me cause me not have the money to buy to get. And that me I show you, a little money where we are work, we have to think how we set it, how we make it work, how we can get out of this. I tell you, and we need a better Jamaica. We need to stop to think about the run where our foreign go make better. We need to think about to make better in our country. Stand up for our country. Them say tourism will make how much $1 billion. If we not listen in a COVID time, you know, them say we lose how much $1 billion, you know, during COVID time, you know. And right now, COVID gone, you know. And we can't see them billions there where them talk about we lose, you know. We can't see them billions that they spend and them say tourism boom up back and all type of things. So where billions them there? Where you did lose in a COVID, where them they know.
Yeah,
But we
yeah.
can't see them as spend.
Yeah, man.
Where are they? Where are those billions where you usually have? When you say COVID come, you say we lose billions, so much billions that come on TV every minute. We lose billions. No COVID gone. Where are the billions? Where are it?
A true man.
Man feel like they take we to big papi show. Like they take we for idiot and they feel like we are fool. They feel like we not listen, sit down and listen what them are say. They feel like I all we Jamaican just jump up in politics. Hey. And then all we just jump up in politics. Somehow we sit down and study and listen. Because we want better for our country. Yeah, I know the PNP of a facts, they are a listener. Me can tell you that. Me know because me have both sides of people. Me have both sides, so me can tell you. And everybody up here supposed to have both sides of people too. And I mean, I think of me alone. Everybody with the on the platform supposed to have both sides of people. Because that is Jamaica. That's why we are fighting love. We don't want no war. We want peace and love. We just want a better Jamaica. Yeah, for each and every one of every corner, every cribbles. Jamaica feel nice again, like when we usually keep party and people go party. Remember days when me a boy and people go party. Man all pick up buckle. And I carry buckle go sell. Then the days are done. You know, people get buckle to pick up again. So, like me I tell you, say Jamaica are nice like one time. Remember them little days there. So, like me I tell you, say the whole of them they are crash. And we need Jamaica need to go back to a farm where we not say if you go back to your whole farm, you know, but modernize and more better, yeah, and make the thing work. Make the thing work for everybody. Cause right now, the thing not work for you get the people. Them. It not work for you poor. It not work for you rich. Just the rich that work. And that's our problem in Jamaica. We can't afford for the things just to work for the rich. We can't afford for it. Because if you check all the party level now, it's just the rich people them take over the whole party system. Check it out and you see. Get the people now make not a party like one time again. Because what? As it start, police can lock you up. As it start, police can lock you up. So poor people now have it hard to find it. That's why you find out them mass killing you happen because you them hungry. So as a man call them from foreign and say, Ray, go do that. Go do this. Then jump up and gone because they're hungry and a man give them a piece of food to go do it. Yeah. And them think they are going in our country most of all, you know. That's why you see so much man I get here at one time. So much people that give to all one time. You're there so today and tomorrow morning here so one family get it. One whole family. And it happen on a regular base. It happen. And like it happen once a time. It keep on happen over and over and over and over. You get me? So you know say them now set no future for youth them come out of poverty. Even the road when me see I go on a St. Thomas. Cause them say one road project I go on a St. Thomas. And me drive go they say me I got the hot water bath. And when me I go around there, you want see the amount of worker where them have on the roadside of work. So when you see amount of worker, few little man they have on the roadside of work and say them have road project are going in a St. Thomas. How the hell that the road project they got done for them the few little man now have a work? How the hell it got done? When you pass you can count more people sit down in a them yard and business place on the roadside more than who are work. Pay youth me pass sit down a corner. How much work they in there for do? Whole heap of work sit down in there for do. Go right round to one town way down in a St. Thomas there. We go on to the beach side. Go way down the whole road. The man have under construction. Say my build better road for the people. Them all like people them where they do work sit down on the roadside. If people them in a St. Thomas not even do work, you can't count the few little man. Me say you can't count the few little man when me pass. Me see all more Chinese more than black man. Remember me tell you, cause me see one group of Chinese and me not see no group of black man. Yeah, me see one group of Chinese man turn up over one part. Say them a work. And me not see no group of black man. You count the black man them single along the line. Single go up. You count them. That's how them a do it. So you think can't work so? We need to modernize Jamaica fast and the people and we need to put a government where have more better power. Cause enough people are gonna say, oh, JLP have money. JLP can't have money like PNP. Me can't tell you that cause PG is one of the richest man in Jamaica. 95% of the business in Jamaica PG own it, if not found never know. So if we have to get back money spending in Jamaica, have to get that party lead back Jamaica so we can move like faster. Yeah. And if we don't do that, boy, next term we are go hard, it a go rough with me. Sorry, any of them ever try to do that and give all that them man never can next term. Why? God have mercy upon Jamaica.
Yeah, because at that the time them go and say, say, all why I'm do Jamaicans them forgive him, so there is nothing to turn back, if he says so and so. More and more dirt they come out. That is just the start of what we don't know, but more things yet to come out. We are going to see things that will come out more than watch. More that will come out. But when me know say Angie's not a good leader, notice, no in a past leader while in a party was still alive and still healthy. And not even the conference we never see them in act. The senior citizen man them, how can you deal with the senior citizen them so? I mean, look what them do for no party and not yet to acknowledge them. You could have one little ceremony for them, have even put them up on the screen and have something to say about them. Nothing. He's just for himself. Just for himself.
I tell you, just him and him family. That's all this man is about. Him and him family. That is all. If you check it, this man is so rich right now. This man is a multi-millionaire right now in Jamaica. And Jamaica get poor. So no must fear your family, Jamaica is brother. You have 28 account. 28 bank account. You have 28 bank account. As a prime minister. What kind of 28 bank account you can have?
There is not a law against you having a 28 bank account, but it's how you come by it. That is the problem. You could have 100. But
no, it's not a law against you having 28 bank account. But the thing is, you are the leader of Jamaica. You're not supposed to have no 28 bank account under your hand right now to confuse you while leading a country. Remember, say country is like a big bank account already. It's a massive bank account that gets running.
Yeah.
So you have to pay attention to your country. You have 28 bank account. Or you have to pay attention to 28 bank account and pay attention to the country same time.
Yes,
you tell me.
Too much activities over governing a country. There are too many.
Yeah, I tell you, say 28 bank account only go confuse the whole situation of running Jamaica. You only confuse the prime minister because you have to pay attention to 28 of them.
And they know, you can't even sit a conference. Not even they give the people, Andrew nothing away, so not even they give the people them who got them portfolio to let them give them a chance to do their job. He might take up the whole of the people, them other people things, and he might deal with it. Say what? Because nobody can trust you. You not trust nobody to do for them own work. And he might do all of the work them want other minister to do. Me not understand.
Where next one me? Darrell Valls. You see Darrell Valls' wife. Remember say she come out in she come on the stage and say she bring people to come tell you about the plan where they have for your parish. How you have to bring people to come tell you about the plan where you have for your parish and you are a leader for your parish. Now you're supposed to start telling people them the plan where you have for your parish. You bring people to come tell them about the plan where they have for your parish. That don't make sense.
Yes,
that don't make no sense. I let people are idiot go sit down with that. Make somebody come tell me about me bring people to come tell you about the plan where me have. For me come for me I lead you. Me supposed to don't have a plan already. To tell you now what we are gonna do and what we not gonna do. So how you are gonna tell me about people are gonna tell you about the plan? You mad man, you need to come down. You need to go home.
It's true. Me know what say no. Alright, even at the conference I could have seen Adisha their face and so. But I tell you something, remember I'm planning said in go right off the depth, the NWC and the people them not have no knowledge of there something they when contact, So that means to say you they tell the people them lie because you want to you're lying away so till I promise the people them and the people them not aware right.
You see water plan when come up with, last forever, A couple months it lasts until next year when he might call election. And that a chick where man I give people them. The man only put out the plan. I tell you most of the plan where man come with. Nah last forever. The plan only last until next year. And I know everybody I go through neither in tell a set of people them we are gonna get the beneficial. And everybody I gonna get it. So I know some people were cut off like 2 years and can't pay them bill. People them were cut off long time and can't pay them bill. Especially when they were cut off 1 year. Them not nothing to get, you know. So them not bother run good things say. Them have something to get. That 2 year people them might give. If we not listen, they not last forever. It only last for a couple months. And then after when election come up, it done. By election, all I plan when man put in by election come up, the plan them disappear. That's why I tell you this is not no plan for Jamaica. This is just a waste of time and try to cheat Jamaica people again. And we not take no more chick because we are not fool. We are listen to what man I say now and open up our brain and see say you not make no sense for we. And we are taking one that makes sense. I saw Jamaica right now. And him supposed to learn that from the first time him coming up power, from the time when coming up power and see how Jamaica move. He's supposed to learn that Jamaica not upon the foolishness. That's why they didn't even give him a chance. Yeah. And he still come with the foolishness. And expect we to give him more chance. You're mad. We have to change up that, brother. You have to come down, brother. Yeah, brother. You have to go home. And Jamaican people are sending you home. And we not ask, we are tell you that. You see me? We are telling that because Jamaican people stand firm. And me know that because we know say we have love in our way. And we know we are not idiot. And we know when somebody love we. We are not fool. And we know say you're not love we. We know say you are just for you and your family and your friends them. We see it brawling. Yeah, it's just for rich in yourself and your friend and your family. We now get rich the people of Jamaica. All the little people them usually have them stall on the roadside. They hardly see one little stall. Because one not gonna go on. Nobody not to go hustle again. People hardly a hustle. First time you usually see enough Jamaican hustle. Nothing not go on. Because right now they must sell one little thing. Right now a man sell a bunch of guinea and he want 3 bills for a bunch of guinea and people afraid to buy a bunch of guinea for 3 bills. People afraid to buy. So some man that ever come out come hustle so then usually hustle again. I tell you. And them there where people usually make money off of. But what? I know say people them not be selling for 3 bills, you know. But the government need to make people have money in their pockets so they can buy the goods for 3 bills. Right. That is the problem. That's true. That is the whole issue. Because it no matter where a person is selling goods for, it's just that the government is set the country where the people can balance out themselves, can buy them goods and feel comfortable. Them family can eat, them family can drink, them family can alright. More work to car. They must say them have this highest employment. We agree. Jamaica have more people more than we did in a PG time. More people there now more than we did back then. So you must have high employment. Eh? If more people there. Yeah, check with Jamaican have high employment, yes, but at the same time, whole heap of youth sit down in a ghetto see Jamaica, I can show you them. I can walk through ghetto and show people. I can make some little video and show people. Whole heap of youth. Right now, I'm touching a some ghetto. And the youth them come, as me touch youth them come sit down around me. Whole heap of them. Whole heap of them. And then I work youth them now want. Because if they're up in one construction site right now, near them place, they are around them place, the youth them are going to work. If they have vehicle, I go pick up the youth them, carry them go work. Youth them are going to work. And I know a man will come pick up the youth them and carry them go work. And then go up on site go work. But when they go and then she say now benefit them and their family, then can't. Some of them not even bother want to eat. Because it now benefit them and their family when they go out there. Some of them have their youths and them have left their youth and make people go pick up their youth at school and then look something there. And then that we can give somebody we go pick up their youth at thing when they come for a week time. If we go pick up their youth because money can't beneficial. The money can't work where we have right now at the moment. And Jamaica, we need to change this money. Man, them turn up everybody else pay in a house of parliament. Expect the people of Jamaica. They forget about we. Little bit them put on part 2 and I tell you about them rates of $15,000 a week. What that can do? You tell me. People are born more than 15,000 out of life. You have to say when JP send bill come a week. I tell you that. Water bill alone. When water bill come to enough people, I'm more than where you them are. When your bill come to all 120,000 water bill. So you tell me what $15,000 can do a week. Cause $60,000 that for the whole month. 4 weeks in a month. $60,000 for the whole month. So you tell me what $60,000 can do for a whole month. whole entire month. The police and nurse I get more than that, and you, the government, I get more than that. And I believe say people them want more than that too. The people them want at least 150,000 a month for them pay. Tell me, I tell you, because millions I make out of the country and billions I make out of the country because we talk it through COVID. We talk it through COVID, so we are lose billions. So we know that billions that make out of our country, and we want that billions to come back to the people of Jamaica. Yeah. We now get the billions them we are making in our country. Them are going out in a pocket. And we want that to stop. We want the money to start going out in a pocket and do the work for the people them of Jamaica. The people them of Jamaica need all politicians, every cribs and corner, council, everybody, MP. Every worker we work for politics, we say them a part of politics. We need the work them to start show up and do for the people them of Jamaica.
That's true.
Yeah, we need it. We need it.
Thank you so much, Jermaine, but I'm going to close off now and have yourself a nice day. You can stop by any time, you know. Give me a follow because I'm going to give it.
I will stop by. I follow you already, man. Just give me back a follow so when they go live, I can see it pop up, okay?
Yeah, have a great day. I'm going to close it now. You know.
Okay,
yeah?
all right.
Oh, you want to say something? Oh, Dino in the dark, KGB one. Big up on yourself.
Go do your thing, man.
I like it. You know, see the small me a compliment, sir.
Say you hear me say thanks.
You know here, but you know you're gonna do stuff for great.
They never hear me say thanks.
Big up on yourself.
Oh. Big up on yourself. I'm gonna close off now. So guys. Okay.